Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Oh yeah!
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Oh time. Ready.
I need Mixup An Blenda time.
I'm want to call and talk of the King's Day.
That's the reason I'm done with him, because I see the boy have me and get a beard with the same raga.
Hold on. The boy have you and the girl a beard with the same red rock?
Yes. Raga.
Yeah.
Beside the girl with the next side of story about the red raga.
Check.
Look at me and say you're Haganiering because the way we are.
Yo, that word
Check.
mad. Haganiering.
Haganiering
To the flipping world.
Hi. Ragashanti, I did mix up daddy.
Check.
Hallelujah. Ragashanti go on and on. Yes, Ragashanti. Do you know how Richie feelings this, right? And you know me have to listen to your program because you talk a crocus bag of things with scandal side of it.
I need Mixup An Blenda time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
I need Mixup An Blenda time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Check.
I need Mixup An Blenda time.
Check.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Well, on the people, Jamaica, are probably the only country we have a soup what we call tea. You didn't know that, Prezi, where you laugh? Prezi, you didn't know that? Prezi, you know which soup we have what we call tea? I bet you don't know. You don't know that one, they don't. That one the boats here in the night, you don't. Yes, man. Jamaica is probably the only country we have a soup what we call tea. Pretty Punchy, you finally get one of the things, them. No. Pretty Punchy, you finally get one of the things, them. Yeah. Jamaica, we have a fish soup where we call fish tea. I yesterday me I talk to somebody about it, you know, and she tell me about when her mother. Somebody I say, why we call it fish tea? Hey, you don't know how much foreign I get caught. Well, I make we start the show. We're gonna come back to it. Make we start back the show good. We're coming back to this. Stick up in right there. We're coming back to this. Jamaica, we have a fish soup where we don't call fish soup. We call it fish tea. But it's a soup, you know. Why is that? Papa Jesus. Watch it right. Start again.
Ragashanti live.
Let's go.
Ragashanti
It's
live.
Friday.
Ready.
You better Hamilton, I see you.
I need Mixup An
Let's
Blenda
go.
time.
One time.
Call and talk of the King's
Nice
Day.
time.
I'm done with him, because I see the boy
Nice
have me
time.
and get a beard with the same raga.
Hold on. The boy have you and the girl a beard with the same red rock?
Yes. Raga.
Yeah.
Beside the girl with the next side of story about the red raga.
pretty much you lie you tell. What you say? Your auntie go Jamaica and get fish tea and go put sugar in it. Listen to me, hey. No, me need some effects. Prezi are dead. Pretty punchy, what you say? Your auntie go Jamaica and them give her fish tea. I say, see some fish tea. I wish she do. She can put sugar in it. Yo, we can't bother. That bad, pretty punchy. I want the bad. I want the bad. Let's go.
I want to call and talk up the Kingston.
It's Friday. Let's go. Energy.
The boy have you and the girl be here with the same red one.
Line.
Raga.
Yeah.
This is the girl with the next side of story about the red raga.
Let's go.
Then people that look at me and say you're Haganiering because the way we are.
Yo, that word them mad. Aganeering. Aganeering to the
Friday fun Friday.
Ragashanti,
The Mixup daddy.
hallelujah.
Check.
Ragashanti go on and on. Yes, Ragashanti. Do you know how Richie feelings this, right?
All right,
And you know
Bronx,
me have
come
to
in.
hear a program.
Brooklyn, come in. Queens, come in. What we say, Jersey, come in. City, Connecticut, Massachusetts, Boston. Everybody know. Jamaica. It's Friday! Fun Friday! I would have come out of Facebook jail alive! Money!
Mixup and Blenda time.
Springfield Garden Queens! Cheryl Bless, big up yourself, mad thing! Slang diggity giddy bam bam badam bam babadu bambe. Ready up no, 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 ready. Yo, I offer dentures, me ears a gonna manage some tough dumpling with it, some dumpling with it need tough. Oh, share Miss Lady, me hear about the crisis. Your dentures, them, the dumpling, them didn't need tough, or you couldn't manage it, and the dentures, them broke under the pressure, so it go here. You have some heavy-handed people out there when them need dumpling more while. They make it dumpling tight. Yeah. They make it dumpling tight, bad, and you poor little dentures. You look at foreign dentures, them, you know, can't even manage them tough dumpling there. Back to the fish tea thing, you know, people. So, we know we love chat things about Jamaica, yeah? And the show this feet, you know. We chat about Jamaican culture. And the way we chat about it, we don't necessarily chat about it in a bossy way. We chat about some little interesting things about it. Yeah, and that's the thing, you know, engaging and entertaining and all these things. Listen to me, man, that fish tea something. Me I talk to somebody yesterday about it, and me I say, the whole way of Jamaica know did that talk, and me I say, John, no. Why we call it fish tea? Some of them have a reason for it, you know. Why Jamaicans call our fish soup fish tea? And You know, when I was sister in them who did in that group, she explained, Camila explained, and I said, fear mother. Me don't know, but she said, you know, there was something them used to do for kind of rub out the bone them, because after you boil the fish, you know, in the water, and you put the seasoning and this and that where we put in it. There is, I guess there is something them do for the bone not going in it, no? And she said there was a clot thing. Like them throw the soup in one clot. Like we have that something where you throw it. There's certain things that we make and you throw it in a clot for strain it. For take out like the dregs and all them something there and whatever. So me I tell you God truth, when me I grew up me drink no fish tea, you know, but me not really know what fish tea make. Me never really see my mother make fish tea, but just drink your fish tea after she done make it. You see me? But yes, to all of my listeners, them who love learn things about Jamaica, many of you young Jamaicans out there who you born and grew up here in the United States and you love to learn about your culture because you don't really know the traditional indigenous things them from, you know, well, Jamaica. Let's say Jamaica because no for America, I born and grew so America, a phone culture, but when I grew up in a Jamaican households and thing, enough time when I always ask me, I'm look at something there. Some me can answer, some me cannot answer. But this is one of the unique things about our little country. Little but we talawa, that means we're little, but we're just big in so many other ways. We don't have to talk about the music and the athletics and the food and all them something. But yeah, we have fish tea, which is really fish soup, because it's a soup, it's a fish soup. And the way Jamaicans make it, it tastes good, you see. And them have special fish with them. Theoretically, any fish can make fish tea, you know, but I don't, well, we know say when we have steamed fish, is that the favorite fish is snapper, right? Roast fish, the favorite fish for roast fish is not snapper. Them use snapper and them use all Jamaicans use all fish, everything. But the favorite roast fish in Jamaica, I don't see it as much up here. Well, if you see it, you can't school me. But it's doctor. And then people who can't call in and tell me if I'm wrong or I'm right. Then you have people who love parrot. Them swear by parrot fish. And you have some other popular fish that people love and prefer. You have jack. You have jackfish. People love that too. And you have one fish named Welshman. That not really big up about it, you know, it ain't good down at Jamaica. But what is interesting in Jamaica, you know, she say like fish tea, you know, turbot. Yes, turbot. You're right with that, you Madam Hamilton. Turbot are big for people love turbot too. Mm-hmm. Well, Junior even said patriot fish to the world. Mine I want to look at spelling something that, you know. What kind of patriot fish? We not mine a parrot did it right and patriot come out and you never need me. But turbot. Me not say turbot fish up here foreign thing or whatever, but Jamaicans into turbot too. Turbot are one of them fish that we work with. No. So the most popular fish at Jamaica is snapper. Then would I say the second most popular one a doctor. Then would I say the third most popular one a parrot. Then we have several other ones, me not really, you know, the jack, the Welshman, the turbot, the butterfish, you have butterfish. You have other ones and things. But we're pretty punchy, they look like the fish tea thing, trick pretty punchy auntie man. Because the thing with fish tea too, you know, which is interesting. Jamaicans love food and them something that in and them, yeah, kingfish too. You're right with that, Alicia. Jamaicans love food and them something that in and them soup, right? You know, when you go Asian restaurant and them other place, that them tend to give you soup and no wally for something in and Jamaican and states are like, proper, good up soup at Jamaica. You have your breadfruit, you have your cocoa, you have all kind of sitting in it. You have chocho, you have dasheen, you have all kind of something dumpling, and then you have your hell of a meat in it and them something there. So Jamaicans love one whole heap of something in them soup, but Ph.D. don't have whole heap of something, which probably explain the whole straining thing where the person did I tell me about yesterday. And thing. So it kind of makes sense then when them get pretty punch auntie the fish tea and she goes, so bap, and just start throw some sugar in that because I fear my teeth is sweeten, man. Teeth is sweeten. But it's not that tea the auntie you go wrong right there, so. It's not that tea there. It's not that tea there. Prezi. You know what is soda. You know where we grew up with a Jamaica called soda. You don't know. All right. Me go open the phone line now. And me only want people 25 and younger. Call in and tell me what we used to call soda. What was the name for soda when we grew up in a Jamaica back in the day? Right? This is the first thing we're going to do tonight. Right? If you're 25 years and younger, call in and tell me what was the name for. You can't ask your mama or your papa or your granny or your grandpa or whatever. And if you can tell me the name where we use for soda when we grew up or whatever, make we see if we can get somebody who lucky in the thing here. 876-676-4996 from Jamaica. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996 from Jamaica. If you call from the United States, Canada, or US, tell me the classic name where we call soda in a Jamaica. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. What is the classic name for soda back in the day in a Jamaica? Right? What is the clap? President, give me that caller from up here. Let me see if somebody are going to get it. Make me backside what I line them full of. President, give me that caller. Hello?
Yes, Raga.
Yes. Are you 25 years or younger?
Oh, no.
No, you're not. Okay, but give me.
Tell you same way.
All right, tell me, CMA. What is it?
The name is aerated water.
Aerated water. Exactly.
Water.
Suppose me tell you, I see a whole heap of people that pour soft drinks. Yeah.
No, aerated water.
Aerated water. That is the name.
Something for that. What you have to give me?
Oh, that go?
You have to give me something for that. Nobody never don't get that.
Me have to give you something for that because nobody never get that.
Yes, we have to get a prize.
All right, listen to me right here now. We're going to make we're going to make present, whatever. We have an ear cake for you, an ear cake. So we're going to give you an ear cake, okay? Huh?
You really? All right, you do good for the show, for the shit, man.
Oh, you mean for DJ where I boat, right?
What? Let me not hear you go on with this boat. Over. What if I can't remember now because it's too hot. No remember nothing.
What you say, me go on good for DJ right, boat, right?
You go on good, what?
Were you entertained?
Of course.
And you laugh and enjoy yourself?
Me enjoy myself.
Very good, very good. Very good. That is what I do, all right?
That is why you have to give me something. You're all right now.
Then I hear me tell you, we're going to give you one nice ear cake.
I don't believe you in a kaya joke. What is ear cake? Ear cake sound like nothing chops to me.
Ear cake sound like what?
Nothing chops.
Nothing. Ear cake sound like nothing shop, no. No, man, we don't have no prize right now. We just have fun with the thing. We just have fun with the thing here.
Nothing chop. Nothing chops like when I say pork chop.
Yeah.
Nothing chop.
Mutton chop or nothing chop? Me know a joke can't make man. But listen, I just want to say on behalf of DJ Roy and Chef Garfield, I just want to say thank you for coming out and supporting the boat ride, the yacht ride.
Me kill him for ticket, me kill him for one extra ticket. If end up get the ticket from me, I'm also happy because the people I'm glad. This time my ticket from me in a me and this a girl called me now last minute can't get ticket. But DJ Roy come through, you know? Him
come through for you and thing. You see, that's what he does, man, and thing. And we're glad you were able to attend and enjoy yourself. And it sounds like you had a splendid, ferocious time, all right?
DJ Roy knows me not miss it, man.
Nah, miss it.
Know me, no, but me.
Him no know you, but you know him. I saw it going in that business. You big up yourself, you know. But one quick question, though. Your bathroom clean?
Why? Clean enough.
What clean enough mean? Your bathroom clean? Answer me clear. Your bathroom clean, yeah?
Clean enough.
Yes, I know. Your bathroom clean? Okay.
You can't say yes.
Okay, me just a check in for you and thing, all right?
Yeah, no. Me do all them things. You know, play with my cleanliness. Me a nurse.
You're a nurse. You know, play with your cleanliness proper.
No.
All right, then. Big up yourself here.
All right.
Yeah, man.
This is the tall one. Tell DJ Roy, say, this is the tall one.
Tell DJ Roy you are the tall one.
Yes.
Okay, all right, then. Big up yourself. You have long legs?
All right.
You have long legs? Huh?
No. Me and my sister always go and she's the short one.
Oh, she had the short one. And you, okay, I get it. Inside joke. All right, big up yourself here.
You must see the two away. The two away no taller than 5'2", you know, but we tall still.
But you so the two are not tall, but you taller than her. You're taller than her. You say, listen, the two are short, but remember, say me taller than you. Oh, understand yourself. Have some manners. Okay, I'm here the tall one. All right, then. Big up yourself.
She's not the four, so she not the four. She have to look up to me.
Yeah, see there? Mad thing. All right, blessings here.
All right, make somebody else hear some joke now.
Yeah, man. All right, cool. So, yes, people, irritated water. Aerated now, Jamaicans end up and say irritated. And then when some people mispronounce it, them say irritated. And it's not, the water not irritated. And really, the patois pronunciation is irritated, yes. But it is really aerated water. No, and seriously, you know, people used to it was like common parlance to talk like that. You go in a shop and say, yo, give me a pineapple aerated water there and thing. And eventually that, you know, it just went out and thing. And after a while, what did I run the place was soft drinks. Soft drinks did I run the place and thing. But aerated water are the original name for soda in Jamaica. People remember, you know, when the British them kick out the Spanish in 1655 in Jamaica, British culture prevailed in Jamaica for a long time until a unique Jamaican culture evolved. But even that unique Jamaican culture, understandably, after hundreds of years of British rule, it was strongly influenced by British culture. So a lot of the so-called proper things that Jamaican have in terms of language and behavior and conduct, it come out of Britain. Hence our obsession with tea also. Right, Jamaican love tea and it's a British thing, but of course the British them get the tea thing from Asia, in particular, India, right? And that's how the British them, because you know said that the British them back in the day, them go everywhere and thief people something. Them not set a damn thief. Them go everywhere and thief people things, and then them go and like them own it thing. So you see that tea thing they were there Britain, were bigger Britain, and them boss it, right? And the Indian people them boss it thing and them thief it. And now, you see the British people them over there with them tea. Can you get us a pot of tea? And all them. I ain't and tea from. But talking about Jamaica culture, well, I see the line them are going, but let's only sit there for chat, boy. People, so Jamaica, we say irritated water. We have a soup what we call fish tea. And as I said before, we have a beer that is a soda. Ginger beer. Don't ask me why, but yes. Our ginger beer, well, let's be careful because ginger beer is not a soda, it's a juice. But people end up call the soda version ginger beer too. But the original thing is make out of ginger and it's a juice, but Jamaican call it ginger beer and it's not a beer. Coming like up here in America, them say root beer, but root beer is not a beer. It's a soda. But anyway, people, we love Jamaican thing and we don't say Jamaica get something from England, but I'm going to suggest one thing where we need for Lego. I'm suggesting a thing where we as Jamaicans need for Lego right now. We as Jamaicans need for Lego. That's something I'm going to tell you about. We as Jamaicans need for let it go. Now, Jamaicans, we're very particular about terminology, you know. And here we tell you, say we have the little British influence there and thing and whatever, right? For example, Jamaica have this 3-tier demarcation to refer to, you know, certain things, right? So them claims say downtown people say clot, and then from Crossroad to Halfway Tree, them say, oh, you go, a material, and then from Halfway Tree, the most of people from uptown, them say fabric. But yeah, one thing that we need to get, I don't know where this come from England, you know, but me don't know why. I don't like me a fight against it, but just something about it, just say we need for Lego that one here. We need for Lego that one here. Ladies, all I want to out there who still a call on a dress. Want to stop that something here, that name I want to call on a dress. Stop that something here, that name. Listen to me, who want vex? I think this name has passed its prime and it should be retired. This name should be retired. What am I referring to? Frock. One time I talked to somebody and them said, what is that? I say, you don't know what frock is? And them said, no. I'm like, okay, exactly. People, frock come from England, right? And frock used to come in Jamaica. And frock is another name for dress, like a lady's dress. But people may not know. Me not think a frock we are using in 2022 and beyond. There is something about frock where it not belong right now. There is something about frock where it for dead and buried. There is something about the term frock. Ladies, talking God truth. Who do feel comfortable and want going to any place and all one of the server them come up, you go in a Macy's, and one of the server them come up to you and say, hi, can I help you? And I help and say, yes, I'm looking for like a really nice frock. Excuse me, what? A frock. What is that? You don't know a frock? What woman wear? Like dress? Oh, you want a dress? Okay, sure, come on. Sure, so, listen to me. It's me alone, something about frock not sound right in 2022. It's like one of them something they like, low grandma if you say it, you know. One when I say frock, no fear you. Whereas if you're a young girl right you know, you're not supposed to attack. No, sir. No. Me think a frock for Lego. First, next thing you know, frock, the sound of it then too near to another word. Frock. They're too near to another word when we don't want the picnic them use. So that is one reason we stop using it. No, that the sound of the word, they're too near to another word when we don't even want to. You know why nobody go even confuse you. You know why your supervisor pass, you know. But President, I come. People, you know what? I talk to your friend and your supervisor pass and things say, yeah, I swear. You know, you know what? You know what? I talk to your sister and I said, what the frock? I think I know your supervisor pass and I go misunderstand you. Next thing you know, you get demotion and all them something that you know, get a look at promotion where you forget all them something and them stuff. Frock we stop you. There's just something harsh about it. There's something just harsh about it. No wonder the material them back then when we make frock. I did some thick material, some big thick material. Frock, hey, listen to me. Drop off the F off a frock and where you have left. Drop the F off a frock and where you have left. Rock. It makes sense. People are not ladies are not supposed to wear no clothes where you drop off one letter and a rock left. And that's the name for no clothes and what? Frock. Frock will stop use. So listen to me now. From this day henceforth, Ragashanti has officially retired the word frock. It is not supposed to be used anymore. So under the authority granted to me by the most honorable bro God as the Minister of Popular Culture, Babsy, I am not infringing on your authority as Minister of Culture and Gender Affairs and Sports and Gender Affairs. I am the Minister of Popular Culture, duly designated by the most honorable bro God, right? And I hereby decree the official retirement of the word frock from Jamaican culture. From this day henceforth, no one is allowed to use the word frock. If you are caught using the word frock, that will constitute a capital crime, and after the necessary due process, you will be summarily sentenced to some form of severe punishment. Nobody else must use that word. No Jamaican must use that word. Not in Jamaica, not in New York, not in Toronto, not in Canada, not in America, not in London, not in... No, them, you have to allow them. I feel them saying. Nobody over this side must again use the word frock. It don't sound good. I'm just saying. All right. Well, when I break, we'll soon forward.
To the George Washington Bridge. From the top of the Empire State Building to the Blue Mountain Peak.
From the Grill Point
to Morant Point.
to Brooklyn, Bronx, Queens, Manhattan, New York City.
It's IrieJam.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
All right, you don't know. Wait, hold on. We just hear bro God attack and whatever, and you don't know him kicking. For the record, people, I can't sing. So I'm just telling that from but here we go. I pledge my heart forever to serve with humble pride the shining homeland ever, so long as earth abide. I pledge my heart this island as God and faith shall live. My work, my strength, my love, and my loyalty to give. Oh, green, I love thee, this Jamaica strong and free. Our vows and loyal promises are it is to thee. Why, Jamaica, 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 Jamaica. Boy, what a sweet piece of song, eh? With some powerful pledge in it, even though it don't mean one far to it. People want to talk it truth. When we sing that, they sing it, who follow it? Follow it? It don't mean one far to more sound out there and thing or whatever. We just sing it and thing. Yo! All right. But listen, no man, people. When we used to go to school, you know, we used to sing the song there, you know, man. And hold on. That is what? That are the national. No, that's not the national pledge. The national pledge is before God and all mankind. Me no remember the rest. I pledge the love and loyalty. Sitting on it. And that's the pledge. Yo, that song that was the one. Somebody post it up quick, let me know. That was that song that I pledge my heart forever to serve with humble pride. That is the national what? That is the national what? Somebody tell me. Somebody post it quick now, man. Yo, people have a post and I say, yo, Raga, that song that bring me back to my primary school days. That was the only time we sung it. Felicia says it's a Jamaica school song. It's a national. Oh, that's it? It's just a school song? You Mother Hamilton, I cannot believe you. Did you just post anthem? Like, seriously? No, it's not the national anthem. Seriously? Now we have to go send it to one, but I can't believe it. That is not the national anthem. Tamita Brown says a national song. All right then, cool. So I could see if remember I think them, you know, we are celebrate 60. So the national dish is ackee and saltfish. The national, Lord Jesus, the national flower, and which one are the bloomer? Oh? Because the lignum vitae always a trick, you know. The national tree are the lignum vitae, you know. All right, do I know the national fruit? No, it's not Del Marine, it's not the national. Listen, what I'm to them, man. Okay. Tonight, on the calling about anything you want to call him about, but then you can't call him on the favorite thing about Jamaica. What is on the favorite thing about Jamaica? Wait, hibiscus is what? The national flower? The bloomer hoe of the tree. Now my people always are confused the bloomer hoe with the lignum vitae, you know. The lignum vitae, no, you can't just write it. You have to tell me what is what. Tell me the lignum vitae is what, the bloomer hoe is what, and the hibiscus is what. And hope sharp, ackee tree is not the national tree. Hope sharp, ackee tree is not the national. Jesus God, we are trying, we don't know, you know. We are trying, we don't know, you know, but we don't make it difficult. And where you get it from, say ackee tree are the national tree. Lord have mercy. Master God, if you're not busy. All right then. So, we're going to call in and tell me on the favorite thing about Jamaica. On the favorite thing about Jamaica, Jamaican culture and Jamaican people. Okay? Tonight, we're going to go and call in and tell me ackee is the national fruit. Okay, yes. But the national dish is ackee and saltfish. Hibiscus is the national flower. That's right, Sophia. So lignum vitae, the national tree. So what is the bloomer hoe? I know the bloomer hoe is something. You sure the lignum vitae is the national tree? Because there is something about the bloomer hoe and the lignum vitae where always are confused people. I don't remember his why, somebody explain it to me. But anyway, we're going to go and call in tonight with Jamaica celebrate 60 years and up in them nastiness. Yes, you know. Yeah. Even though some things, you know, the national bird is a hummingbird. Ackee is the national fruit. Even though it is not like a fruit, yeah, you know, but still. I'm going to go and call in and tell you on a favorite thing about Jamaica or on a favorite thing about Jamaicans. Either Jamaicans or Jamaica. See, there exactly. That is what I'm telling about. You don't need to listen to me. You see that? Hope you get it right. That is where the confusion always is. Because in Jamaica, people, the lignum vitae is a tree. But people tend to think it's a national tree. But if I remember correctly, the lignum vitae is a national flower. And that's how I go. And the bloomer hoe, will look like a flower, well, we mostly see like a flower, it is a national tree. It tricked enough people when we are come. But anyway. 876-676-4996, 876-676-4996 from Jamaica. Anywhere in Jamaica you are, you can dial a number there. even if you're under the people in bed, because you did a thief the woman man, and the woman come home, and you're in the wardrobe, or you're under the bed, you can still dial that number, and we will get 876-676-4996, 876-676-4996 from Jamaica, right? What is your favorite thing about Jamaica or Jamaicans, right? If you're calling from the United States or Canada, the number is toll-free, of course, 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. President, send on a call and I could get busy up in this show. Hello.
Raga.
Yes.
Raga.
Yes.
Man, I know you're a very smart, intelligent man, right?
Uh-huh.
And I've been waiting on the phone for longer. All right, let's take the thing one step at a time. You call the first call about the rated water.
Uh-huh.
We used to pick up back.
Me and my mother too, yes. Mm-hmm.
All right, and we swap them and get especially for Christmas time, all right?
Exactly right.
Yeah, all right. So we bypass that one. That's what I wanted, because you have so much thing in your cranium that you have to let out. So that's what I want to know.
Yeah.
You mentioned about frock, right?
Frock, yeah.
All right. All right.
Yeah.
That's what I want to real quick,
Yeah.
Raga. What will be a bit, right?
Raga, yeah.
Raga.
Yeah.
Right. That's it too.
Why rag for that? Why rag for that? Why wrong with rag?
Because when you walk, coming in your house, I think we don't call map or what rug or whatever. We call it rug.
No, rug. That is rug. That is rug. That is rug. That is rug.
But them say rug. What we call that rug.
No, man, me not think nothing wrong with like rag have a little still have a little modern thing. But do you agree? So we need to retire the word frock and stop using it. No.
I mean, man.
Done with frock. Fling that up.
Anyway, all right. Listen up. I have a placard in front of me, right? You know?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
I have this for years. We came from Jamaica.
Yeah.
He said national. Listen up. He said national anthem and symbols. Listen to me.
Yeah.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
On the left hand side you have a flag, and the right hand side you have a flag.
Yeah.
And the left, at that portion you have a aki.
Yeah.
Aki, right. And on the right hand side you have a ligdom vitae, right?
Yeah.
If you go further down, you have the Dr. Bird.
Yeah.
And then you have the Blue Mohawk. All right. Now I'm going to read what it said. National anthem and symbols.
Yeah.
Eternal Father, bless our land. Guide us with thy mighty hand. Keep us free from evil powers. Be our light throughout countless hours.
Mm-hmm.
To our leaders, great defender, grant true wisdom from above. Justice, truth be our forever. Jamaica land we love.
Yeah.
Jamaica,
yeah.
and we love.
Yeah.
Teach us true.
No, you got to just read out the national anthem and you know it's a 10 million other call. I don't understand what you do. I think it's something different about it. Eh?
No, I love it about the country. So
okay, all right. Yeah. All right.
You know, and that we have to respect that, because that's our traditional. Let's see the athletics them go down and things. We come to our culture.
Well, that is true. That is.
A lot of people not gonna remember this, because these are from school days.
Right.
I bring this from Jamaica with me.
No,
you know what I'm saying?
No,
right?
But I want to tell you, when I was in Jamaica, one of the competition I loved to run was like, when I'm doing outside broadcasts on a different radio station, I said, just come up and sing the national anthem correctly. When I tell you, say it's a very difficult thing for Jamaicans sing the national anthem correctly.
That's true, man.
Most people think them know the national anthem correctly and them don't know it. But anyway, let me squeeze in some other card before we take a break here.
All right, my brother.
Yeah, man, I respect for the contribution. I really appreciate it, Auntie. Next.
I'm going to tell you something. You're smart, man. You're smart, man. You're very smart.
Okay, all right. Thank you, sir.
You're smart.
Much appreciated. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Okay, good. All right, come on, send on the next kind of energy. Keep it up. We deal with fish tea, irritated water, ginger beer, frock. All right, next call. Hello. Yes, greetings.
Yes, same.
Well, when I bring
Yes, same.
Hello? Prezi. What the card? Wait, Prezi. Hello? Which call? We just get 2 calls one time. You know? People be here with them because true we there New York and them there Jamaica and caller come in from America, caller come in from Jamaica. Sometimes some look a crossing going on. Come on, give me a call. Hello? Me hear Ilian too cute a while ago. Hello, give me a call.
Nah, no close, Raga.
What go on, Ilian too cute? Why you so good as?
Me there, my love.
You mad thing. Talk up to me, you know. Okay.
First of all, me start on Monday night.
Yeah.
Monday night when you read the summer talk about the girl with what says she have the problem with her mouth.
Which one? Wait.
The swiping man.
Yeah. Go on.
When she and the man a date and the two of them decide to then love swiping.
Right.
And when the man swipe her now, she a go come up but she sit with her
she
mouth.
She have a little, I say our orthodontist.
With her mouth.
Yeah.
Well, me tell the man something, no swipe her again.
The man fi stop.
Stop.
Okay.
Swipe her.
Okay.
Because if she and me am dumpling,
yeah,
and she a eat all kind of sitting, why she can't swipe?
And she don't tell the man, say, before them start getting, she tell the man, say, she love it and thing and whatever, and she have no problem doing it. And then when the two of them get in and them, they know and the man not do it, she not do it. And when the man ask her why she not do it, she say her orthodontist tell her that she have a medical condition with her mouth, so she must give no headers and thing. I think she's a damn little general and thing. And him they do it. Yeah.
Rather, if me and a man talk about that and we decide, say, well, we are going to do it.
Yeah.
Remember, at 69 we are clear.
What you say, 69 of a run down?
Yeah.
From decision make say to do. Okay.
Me not run, do not look close, and maybe when he do it, he not do it back.
Yeah. So if the two on the side say we not do it, we not start to do it together. 69, you said, oh.
Yes.
Oh, you mean?
Get set, go.
What you say? Just to be fair. Because if you say you do it, and you say you do it, and the person say them do it, you know why one person gonna start and the next one not do it. So you say the two are on the position in the 69, and then you say on your mark, get set, go, and then the slurping start.
You know the foolishness. Nobody now said me fi no precare.
Yeah, don't it? Yo, you're killing me. Yo, on your mark, get set. Voila, push out your tongue, go.
Me no foolishness like that.
I agree. That way,
foolishness.
That way, all parties are guaranteed fairness in the distribution of the oral pleasures. Okay.
Exactly. And Wednesday night, no, the youth what they call and I talk about in boss and the worker. I know it's the boss and the worker.
Yes.
In the last part, me and saying baby gonna be 1 month old. Me correct?
Yeah, but you remember the theme, the part that boy, you know, say enough people call me about the show after that part because remember, you know, him say him a the boner man, right?
Mm-hmm.
And the woman there with her man, her husband, right? And the woman have a baby. And him basically, you know, take carrots. So him basically, I say him a the pooper. But him a say she tell him say him a the father. And that she give her man, her husband, the jacket. But no people believe, say, I can't him, you know. And I can't remember, say, that's why I make sure I ask him. So I say, you send her money regular to her for the picnic down. And him say, yeah. So now people think I can't him. What do you think?
I can't him right out because he not have no sense. Rather listen to this.
Yeah.
He said December the baby gonna be 1 month, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, baby be 1 month in a November, in a December.
No, I never said that. The baby can't be 1 month in a December. Him said the baby is 1 month old now.
Oh, 1 month old now. I think he said December because of that really puzzle me.
No, well then me would have been the idiot too. Then if we in August and somebody say Raga in a December the baby gonna be 1 month and then me go say, oh, okay, cool. Then that not mean say me a kunomunu an idiot too. No, man.
Raga, I need me start penciling out, you know.
Hold on. Somebody down there in Jamaica, President tell them for call back Too Cute car. The top of the hour 3-minute break come on right here now. Too Cute. Me gonna make them call them back.
Me good.
No, hold on. All right then. Hold on. Who down the President? Kevin. Are you man?
Yes.
Allah, are you man down there? What you? All right, well on there. So Kevin don't know your number already. We don't have to tell Kevin to take your number, car. Your man don't know your number already, don't it?
Yes.
Wait there, well on there. Too Cute, you know, say somebody post online and say you're right because he did say that the baby gonna be 1 month in December. But me never did hear that. See the one next person say yes. That's true. Me right, you know, me never pick up that. Well on. Kevin, call back your woman. Come here, go take a break right now. Kevin, call back Alien Too Cute. People are gonna take a break. 3 minutes, soon forward.
This is Killaboo from IrieJam Radio in New York City saying welcome to our sister brand, The Bridge 99 FM Jamaica, to the airwaves of IrieJam Radio. 99 ways to cross the bridge, people. You don't need a passport, you don't need a visa, you don't even need a COVID test. Just make that connection. It's all about The Bridge, connecting Jamaica to New York City and New York City to Jamaica. The Bridge to the world.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Back in at the juggling, Ragashanti live on the big bad. What that? On the big bad Bridge 99 FM in Jamaica and IrieJam Radio here in New York City. Okay, President, bringing back Alien Too Cute right now. Alien.
Yes, sir.
Wagwan, yes, sir, talk to me. You know, say some people are post and I say you're right. If did say
no idiot.
Right, my apologies.
Yeah, what me say from instead of me start penciling out because me say we in August now. If the baby gonna be December. 1 month in a December. When that the baby them on?
But so why you think he made that mistake then? Hold on, 1 second. George Prophet Dubs do not advertise in the stream when the show are going. We don't tolerate them. We don't. Jamaican talk tolerate. Why we talk like that, alien? Why we don't just say tolerate? We always just say tolerate. But anyway, we don't tolerate no advertisement in the thing. Once you open that door, everybody going to come and post and advertise. So we don't do that. It is just for listeners to comment when the show are going. George Prophet Dubs, don't do it again. Else we are going to block you. Prezi, delete that poster. Talk again, Elaine. Yeah.
The man mixed up a lie when I tell about him, boss. I must tell a lie.
Oh.
At the end of it. You see, when you tell lie, you have a lie, I tell.
So you...
And the boss and the woman and one bag of things. You know, see, mix up the boring.
So you say a lie to Carosa tell when him call in and I give with the mix up them. Okay.
Yes. That was a boring and a lie mix up till he say life and his hell.
Yeah, can him say what you say when him say the boss, when him go catch the boss, I sort out the work and all them things that you say all of that a lie, I tell no.
Boring and lie.
Till
at the Anything there, him tell a lie on himself. Say, baby, I go be 1 month, December. I nearly drop down my draft to my pen, paper, tape, measure.
And it still can't match out, and it still couldn't match out. No. You think you're nice? Them think you're nice, though. Them think you're nice, though. Yo, the thing bitter, though. It bitter like gall, though.
Raga, just when me I listen to you, me sit down quiet, not you mosquito can bite me.
Yeah. All right, now see, but what go on otherwise down there with you? What you eat for your dinner today?
I want to eat today. Me eat, let me try me eat sweet potato dumpling.
Sweet potato dumpling, and what else? And what else?
2 finger soft banana and little saltfish.
2 finger salt banana and some saltfish and thing.
Soft banana.
Soft. You don't eat hard banana, you don't like hard banana?
No, me don't like it hard.
Okay, me don't like nothing hard in my mouth either, so you don't know. Soft banana.
Raga. Friday night, me I wipe on my kitchen and I listen. When you take the break, you know your son come and say, this is Zion.
Right.
Whatever. So my grandson, me say, Akim, come listen to that little boy here. So him say, Grandma, why name? So me say, name Zion. Yeah, I'm a friend. I said, no, live a foreign.
Kids, why they're so sweet. And you know, they're just free of all of the foolishness that we have as adults. So when they meet them one another, you know, right away, you know, him just hear another child speaking and, you know, his immediate inclination is like, is that my friend or can he be my friend, you know, type of thing. That is so cute and thing. Big up your little one, yeah?
Big up Flash and Mr. Higgins and I eat that. Have a nice weekend.
Well, before you leave, say you know, big up Robert. How are you and Robert? You know, big up Robert.
Robert, bless up the step. Me Robert, no, we still talk, man. But sometimes look like Robert screw them full. And we can't manage him.
And you can't manage him now.
No, sir.
All right.
Bless up to your
No. Before you leave, me hear me want you say. Me just want you say. All right, Raga, my gone, my love. Say it for me.
All right, Raga, my gone, my love.
I love it. All right, love and blessings. All right, cool. All right. To all you women up here who are dating Jamaican men, right? All of the women up here who are dating Jamaican men, particularly if you're Jamaican man, them come from like a Jamaican ghetto or come from country or whatever. If your suspect said that man is involved with another woman, or if him tell you say him did just involved with her a little bit but nothing ever go on and go on. One of the way you can find out what was the nature of the relationship between that man and that woman, ask him this. Say at any point you and her ever lay down and she bust bumper for you? If him say yes, say yeah, him and her lay down and she bust bumper for him, is not your man. It's for your man. Trust me upon that Jamaican something there. One of the way you know when a man and a woman reach somewhere where you say them really deaf it true in Jamaica is if the relationship reach a point where for relaxation and just chilling and whatever, them lay down and she a bust bump off of the man. It's a Jamaican thing. Hear the weird thing about that something there. That is like an iconic ritual in a Jamaica, you know. And I get to something, I don't know if uptown people do it at Jamaica. But when you lay down and hear a woman and a bust bump, all the way you don't have the bump, you lay down and she look for bump for bus, right? But people, Jamaicans, listen to me, you know, listen to Mas Raga. Who ever notice that with all of them bump busing that were going to Jamaica, them romantic bump busing there, who ever notice say, is never the man a bossy bump on the woman? Always a woman a bossy bump on the man. I have never. You see, if you're not Jamaican, you're not going to really even understand what I'm talking about right now. But people, it's like a thing in Jamaica. Like on a Sunday evening, you lay down with your woman and reason and talk and thing and whatever, and you lay down and she kind of do that lay down with she half an hour depend and whatever. Or even if you're not lay down, you sit down and you chill and whatever, and your woman a bust bump. I know it's going to sound weird to someone, but it's like it was a thing. It's a thing in Jamaica. I don't know if it's still going, but it's a thing for us chill and the woman a bust bump. It's like a thing in Jamaica. It's like one of them something there. But I've just never seen a man a bust bump off a woman yet. It's always a woman a bust a man them bump. It's always a woman a bust a man them bump. Junior Levy, go on about your business. I talk the things them for the ladies, and I will talk something for the man. Anytime I talk the things them for the man, the woman them cuss me. Anytime I talk the things them for the ladies, the man them cuss me. Junior Levy, move your little dirty nastiness right as I know I'm going to buy some more Pampers for yourself and allow me, the man. I want to the man, yeah, man. Okay. What is your favorite thing about Jamaica or Jamaicans? Any other thing where you want to call about? 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. If you call from the United States, the number is 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. Give me the call, President.
Brother?
Yes, Mr. Coombs, what happened?
What? Me insurance is so bright, you know, me insurance low, but me still hear you. All right, listen me.
Yeah.
You talk about me talk whole time thing, but me have three different, what foreign, the one in New York. She tell me, say, America get hard, but two of them was doing 3 days a week, and I'm going to do, no, they was doing 5 days a week, I'm going to do 3 days now.
Oh, them used to work 5 days a week. I know them are do 3 days now.
3 days, yeah.
Okay. Things are getting...
You got this lady friend now. You know who? Me not call her name.
Uh-huh.
He said one man come over there from Jamaica, one of your friend.
Yeah.
And the man can't get no work.
Uh-huh.
And the man start bend down now. And somebody have been down back of him.
Mr. Coombs, what you say?
Hey.
One woman up here tell you, say, you have a man who come from Jamaica and him come up here. Yeah, and him a look work.
From Fair Parish.
Yeah,
him know the man.
Yeah, from Fair Parish. Yeah, now we don't call it Parish. But you say him come a foreign and him there foreign and I look work and couldn't find a work down.
Yeah, you don't work.
And when the pressure reach him and he can't find a work, you say, right, I know. Him a bend over, and when him a bend over, one next
man. Bend over, my dropping pants and bend over.
Yeah, and a man a bend over back of him.
Yes.
Okay, look like he rough man, and it look like he make some hard choices, no?
Sure.
Yeah, okay.
You have to put your mind to your condition.
You have to do what? You have to, wait, Mr. Coons, when you say you have to put your mind to your condition.
You don't come back, I live to you. But you start already and you get money.
Oh, wait, so you say I get money now? Okay, next thing. Yeah.
I don't joke to me about that. Today me talk to the woman, no.
No, I believe you that it happened for you. Oh, you say it. Oh, you say it.
Woman, you know.
Yes.
Woman talk to you.
Oh, somebody woman. The woman, you say me know the woman.
You don't know him in person, sorry.
Okay.
We talked to you several times.
Okay. All right.
All right. So you don't know in person.
All right then.
Anyway, tell too cute, the lady we talk about, William too cute.
Yeah, Ilian too cute, yeah.
Tell him give me a call.
Yeah, Ilian too cute. Mr. Coombs say you for call him. All right, I go call you, yeah?
406-430.
What your number again, what?
406-4300. 406-4300.
406-4300. Ilian too cute. Call Mr. Coombs. 406-4300. All right, Mr. Coombs.
Have a good night. Thank you.
And the same to you, my brother. All right, cool. Mm-hmm. Next call, President. Sit down. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, hello.
Yes, brother.
Yeah.
Yes, brother.
Yeah, talk directly in iPhone here.
Yeah, man, let me talk. Look here now. You know, I want to share something personal. Listen. So, first of all, I want to make a mention of a news report that I saw in the news. Quite interesting that I want to share.
You want to keep it on the Friday vibes, you know. Keep it on the Friday vibes, doing no man. Keep it on the Friday.
I'm going to try. Yeah. Anyway, so this person, no. So it's like, this person was given 100,000.
Right.
To kill somebody.
Okay,
right?
yeah.
100,000. And because this person did not kill the person for the $100,000.
Right.
The person decided to say him want back in money.
Right.
So when the person, I call the man now, I not reach him. Call him and then when him just say, all right, here I want. The man saying, call him and say, you have some good herbs.
Some good weed, yeah.
Some good weed.
Yeah.
The man show up. No, you can't imagine. No, you a man 100 grand if you do them kind of something there.
Right.
And a man will call you for weed. And you go show up. Weed.
That the time you take a man 100,000 and do the work and thing, but you go show up for the weed.
Work.
And then what happened after that after you show up?
So after that, in corner him and catch him and tie him up in our hut. Have him, so he must call him family member because he want back in money.
So he must call what? Who?
His family members.
Family member to get back in money, yeah.
He will get back in money, right. So when he call and nothing happen to him, they say then he can't find it. Then have it.
Yeah.
So if I have him there 5 days.
Yeah.
And after that, he was trying to free himself.
Yeah.
Then the man, free himself and he tried to escape. So when he tried to escape now, the man shot him and kill him. And when he do that now, he burn him body.
This happened in Jamaica?
Yes, it does.
Real thing?
Yeah, man, real stuff. I get it on the spot news media.
Okay.
Yeah, believe me.
Yeah.
Real stuff.
Yeah.
And when the man kill him and burn him body, but how them knows that him because him tell him to call them family member.
Right.
So when him realize now say him get caught because he knows he get caught. So him plead guilty.
Him plead guilty, so him do it for
guilty, in that court, he plead guilty, and then get 20 years for the murder.
Oh, some people are send things to me and I say it's true, it depends on the news and thing or whatever. But somebody say 15 years him get.
No, I'm coming to that.
Yeah.
So he get 20 years for murder, and the judge took off 5 years because him did not waste the court's time. So he get 15 years. So after that, now the man quarrel and I say, boy, the judge hung him rough. Shouldn't give him 15 years.
Why?
Because he incorporate.
He killed a man. Him lucky him get 15.
He killed a man, brother.
But hold on. In pay a man $100,000 for go kill a man. The man never go kill the man or whatever. So him call the man to get back him $100,000. The man not answer the phone. So him decide to beat the man and say, yo, me have some bad weed over here and I have some good weed over here. Come check it. And the man, when the man come now to get the weed or whatever, him hold the man and tie up him and thing. After he tie up him and have the man there for about several days, 5 days, and tell him and say, call the ginger ration them and tell them to send the money. And call the ginger ration them say, them not have the money and thing or whatever. But him keep the man the tie up. When the man the tie up and the man try escape at one point and thing like that, him shoot the man, kill the man, and go burn the man body and them something or whatever. And I saw the man relative know says him do it, and them call police, but them police go when the police impress him talk it truth and tell the police them everything. Go court, the judge give him 20 years, them take off 5 and thing and him get 15 and him a ball now and I say, boy, him cooperate, me shouldn't get so much and all these things I want.
The man even appeal the case.
Well, appeal is almost automatic. But tell me something. If you have it in you, we go kill a man for foolishness because, well, But you owe some money. Why you did hire the man in the first place to go kill us?
Because he grabbed himself, no. But I guess you want to die money with.
Jesus, boy. Them said that
the man expect now that the appeal court will give him lesser time.
Well, if people just appeal, you never know. You know, appeal, you have nothing for lose, so people appeal. But when them said, Jamaica, you know, saying Jamaica is not a real place. You tell me, you know.
Not a real place at all.
Why me I tell you that one day? Several people I tell me say a true story for true on the man.
Yes, it's sad because what you see, I mean, how can a man be so stupid to know say, boy, you take the man thing and the man just call if you got so
yeah. That one day, I'm an idiot too, I'm a clown too.
The man kill
nah, man, him licky. You run going back for you. Some weed or whatever. Yeah, nah. Him in the wrong. Him going in the wrong business. That was a theme.
Well,
that was a theme.
That
was a theme at all. You know.
But I wanted to deal with the issue on Wednesday because the issue on Wednesday.
Mark, you know, Mark, remember say after Friday, you know, so enough caller come in, you know.
No, this is going to be interesting, trust me.
No, I don't deny it, but me not like when me on Friday I go with some long call and thing because the people, Friday the only time we do simulcast in New York and Jamaica, you understand? So, Bully Pakal come in on Friday, so I'm trying to stay tool.
But independence and those things.
Because I beg you. Let me just give somebody else a chance here. Because I will Pakala come in here. All right, then blessings, man. Cool.
Okay.
Yeah, come in and cost me. All right, next call, President. Next call. Hello.
Good night.
Good night, yes.
I want to talk you to come from radio talk about me my take her tonight, you know.
Then take her on if you want to, Robert. Nothing wrong.
Right, no, you know. You talk you though.
Yeah.
Talk you big up Hot and Spicy. A long time in a year. I want to her.
Eh?
Long time in a year, Hot and Spicy.
She take people, man, and me say one woman box her down flatter that.
When you go on though, we want to know the alcohol link up, we want Hot and Spicy and Too Cute, we want to meet the two of them one time.
But you want to meet the two of them one time? Why?
I'm a friend, I'm a friend.
Okay.
I'm a friend them, I defend the two of them one time.
Yeah, defend the two of them one time, but...
Yeah, Hot and Spicy, I'm a friend.
No, but remember, say you did a backbite the two of them, do you? Remember, say you did a backbite the two of them.
It change,
I know. Okay.
Yeah, there's something coming in my spirit and something feel deal there for that different level. Big up Hot and Spicy.
Okay, something coming in your spirit and say, Prezi, I laugh for you. Prezi, I laugh for you.
Kevin.
Me say, Prezi, I laugh for you up here in New York. That me I tell you. No, Prezi, I laugh for you because you say something coming in your spirit, you know.
No, I'm not really that boy. Yeah. Something, you know, me can't hate nobody, you know, Raga.
Well, that is good. Don't hate anybody, Robert.
Yeah, right. You see, Too Cute there. She could have been a prophet.
Oh, really?
Yes, man, because the man, the company really talk about the baby at home, exactly what she said to him, so come here, listen, sure.
No, but so why she can be a prophet then?
Yeah, because everything what she talk and she do, she read the show, she do everything, she don't come and chat and so.
No, but you're referring to something that her accuracy with something that occurred in listen to me at tapping night. Listen to me at tapping night. That's why we're here, don't listen.
All right.
Keep by your mouth. Okay, listen. Listen to me. Listen, can you forget rough up sometime? You just say, listen to me, talking.
All right.
You just, listen to me, yeah. She said, you just said she's a prophet. And you're saying she's a prophet based on her accuracy about something that occurred in the past. You should not have used the word prophet because prophet, they get the name from being accurate about something that will happen in the future. So you use the wrong word. Do you understand?
All right, yeah, respect.
Okay, all right then. That would
not too hard for her. Boy, she read the show. She's a lady with me respect all the while.
Yes, man. She
me a call the show. Me learn a whole thing about Too Cute. She's
okay.
A lady, she's a confident lady.
Yes.
And she don't bounce around. But me say me respect her. hot and spicy.
But you know about her, say she not bounce around. How you know she not bounce around?
No, man. Me and Too Cute talk differently from the before. Not even when me and I talk different, you know.
Okay, all right then. And you know, say she's not a bounce around girl, don't?
No, she not bounce around.
But well, and then if you say that about you, Too Cute, it is interesting that you don't say it about hot and spicy. So by saying Too Cute is not a bounce around girl, it look like yes, hot and spicy is a bounce around girl. Is that what you say? Is that what you say? And that you say? And that you say about hot and spicy? Eh?
Don't try to style it. Don't try to style it. Don't try to style the business, Robert.
Okay, all right then.
Okay. My company should talk about something. Me not compliment the fooling.
All right then.
Big up you, stay away still. You big up yourself, stay away.
All right then, Robert.
Call of them. But hear me, I say, you never go warm. Me no try if you call him on a Friday night we talk about the dating thing and you cut it off and you say nah work, man.
Listen to me now, we're not going there right now. Here, we're in the second hour.
We just put off the show.
Okay, we're in the second hour. What? We're in the second hour. All right, leave that now. We're not going there, okay? All right.
Which one?
Listen to me. We say we're not going there. We're not going there.
All right.
All right.
We not fight the show.
All right, yes. Don't fight the show. Yes, all right.
And Too Cute, tell Too Cute, you see?
She's listening to you. She's listening to you. So tell her where you tell her.
Tell Too Cute, say, me love her to my heart.
Yeah.
I'm going to do anything for her.
All right then. Respect. Cool.
You hear me I say? And tell her to spice me love her. Big up herself all the while.
All right then, Robert. Blessings, my brother.
She not no credit for call. That's why she not call.
What you say? Hot and spicy not no credit for call. That's why she not call.
It
looks okay. Sticky pan her. Broke.
Sticky pan her, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Sticky.
Hot and broke. I saw them stay. Hot and broke. Hot and broke. Hot and spicy. Hot and broke.
Don't do that. Don't call her that.
No, you just say she not no credit for call. Then a broke pocket hot girl.
Yeah, but if me know where she live, me would have said that credit go get her, but me don't know anything.
No, but you don't have to know where she live. You just need her number. What you mean know where she live?
We don't have her number.
All right, she will link you. She will link you. All right, and you send her a thing here.
Too cute to get her my number.
All right then, cool. All right. All right. (876-676-4996) from Jamaica. 876-676-4996 from Jamaica. And from the United States, 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742. What is your favorite thing about Jamaica, right? What is your favorite thing about Jamaica or Jamaicans? What is the thing where you love the most about Jamaica or Jamaicans? People, let me tell you something. I am a firm supporter of safety, right? I am a firm supporter of safety. But boy, when you come up all of them places, you recognize, boy, oh yeah, live on the edge of Jamaica, but that is like normal for you. President, you know, you see up here, you see, as soon as your car tire rub down a little bit, people change them tire in a President. That's why it go up here, President. Exactly. People, as soon as your car tire rub down, you know, make you all go change your tire. Go some place and go tell right away them want to give you a new tire and I tell you all kind of things and whatever. Which is good. But people, if I tell you the amount of time me in Jamaica and see some vehicle run and when the tire them frazzle out, you see it's only for string and it's like some string and wire come out of the tire them and you hear a Jamaican man look on all the tire and say, let me see it. I want. Nah, man. Enough drive left in this, man. Enough drive left in that. Nah, man, you know see, a young tire this, man. Young tire this. Enough people that are trying the tire just frazzle out, you know, man. More time all the tire will bust up a little bit and man say, yeah. Look at rubbing on the side. What heap of driving left in this, man? What heap of driving left in this? See, people, let me say it's true. But up here, as soon as look at rubbings upon the tire change, quick. As we say in Jamaica, quicker clock tire change. But down in Jamaica, sometimes all the tire leaning, man. I might say, let me see what. No, man, what heap of drive left in that? What do you? Only for drive left in this, man. Enough drive left in this. This time you just start drive on this. You just start drive. You probably can't drive all 2 million more miles on this, man. Don't worry yourself. Go on, drive a car. Go on. Anyway, we're going to break. We're soon forward.
IrieJam. Years of quality Caribbean radio.
This is Zion Stewart, and you're listening to my dad, the awesome Ragashanti, on Bridge 99 FM.
Back in at the summer. Back in at the good, tan good summer. Back up in at the summer. What is the thing where you love most about Jamaica or Jamaicans? 876-676-4996 from Jamaica. 876-676-4996 from Jamaica. 876-676-4996. If you're calling from the United States or Canada, the number is 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888 546-8742 to the phone lines we go. Good night, Wagwan!
Wagwan!
Hot and spicy, what you say?
Me good man, me there.
Wag said, you get drunk tonight, you know.
Me a laugh. Just a dead laugh.
Robert say I'm broke, girl. You know, you can't. It's Robert saying I was defending you. I was most upset about it. I was most upset about what he said about you. Him say you're at and broke and thing, and it burned me say me have to cuss him for you. Oh God!
Robert, I was on you. Robert, right? Rub your arm. And you said so.
But well on. It's him bring up say you must have no money for buy credit. You have to admit that part there though. It's him saying. It's him saying.
Yeah, a long time did you say don't tell me thanks. A long time did you say not tell me thanks.
A long time did you say not tell you thanks?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know long?
Okay.
You know long?
Oh, I don't know your business, so I saw it.
Well, me tell you. Did you say not tell me thanks and did you say like give $1 million? Me can't get none because I can't get
no.
Me no buy credit, I'm not have it.
Did you sell? You need to get hot and spicy $1 million. She deserve it. Did you sell? Get hot and spicy $1 million. She deserve it. So she can't stop wear them slippers there and start wear some heels because it's sticky upon her. Yeah, so I asked.
You know some more to heal, so. You read me up. You know some more to heal, so we will want to heal.
And that's spicy. What is your favorite thing about Jamaica? We're celebrating 60 years. What is the thing where you love most about Jamaica?
My thing that I love most about my country.
Yeah.
When mango time, I can go climb mango tree. I'm still on the mango tree. I eat mango. I'm not have to buy it.
Right, that's it there. Right, that's
Aki time, me just use one bamboo and pick 2 aki and go cook. Breadfruit time, me just do the same thing and pick 2 breadfruit. Okay. Guava time, me just get 2 guava and make some juice. Me can go bush and get pine.
Right.
I love my country. So
you love Jamaica because you can go all about in a bush and get food for eat. You can just pick food. And because we can't really do that up here in America. You know.
Exactly.
We can't really do that up here.
And if me not have the banana, I can go beg somebody 6-finger banana, I can get it.
Right. And even in the places where them grow them fruits there, it's still like so structured and close. Like Florida, them grow enough fruits at Florida, you know, but and I like Jamaica where you can just walk, go in some bush and go just eat some food.
Thank you very much. You have no access to it. I have access to it. See, tangerine tree up there, the food can pick 2 tangerine and eat.
But well, you know, say enough mango tree down in Florida where in a people yard and them not eat them though.
Why?
Mango and coconut, me notice that down there. Mm-hmm. Enough people have coconut tree with jelly on it, and them not eat it. It's like them just not grew up in the with that something there, so it just there and thing. And then you have no further look a place you will pass and you see mango tree, and the mango them just a drop and thing, and them not really eat it. But you know, so for them mango, I don't know if I not something to do with the the climate, but them mango not sweet like Caribbean mango. The mango not sweet.
No, like the mango not go sweet like our one.
Yeah, the mango not
so
sweet.
So me love my country. Me can walk on the road as me like, talk as me like. I'm coming up. We don't come on the road as my trouble. Me not tell for me foot and laugh out. Why? Can't be that a foreign.
No man, people do that up here, man. That people do up here. That people do up here. People do up. No, people not care. You want to go Bronx and you want to say go Bronx and see when some pricky bus over Bronx and Brooklyn and them place, man. And together, I think you're Jamaica. What?
But the trouble, me fling 2 big stone off of them and go out.
That is my problem with America. Me can't tell you that. From me come here, that is my... You don't see no stone on the street up here.
Really?
Yeah, most of you play. You know, anywhere you go Jamaica, you always see something where you can enjoy with fight. You don't see no stone. You know we love to a stone. No stone on the street. But sometimes somebody kick off and you dip and you look for something for clout them. Nothing on the street up here.
I lie, not even banana stock, nothing.
No, them sitting in there up here and whatever. If you draw something off the street, you have to pick up one big old garbage bin and dash off. Yeah, them something up here, you understand, but that's so things it, that's how it thinks. But what going otherwise, you're good otherwise.
Yeah, man, but you see the little man that we talk when night about the baby thing.
Which one?
And him go say, but say the baby go 1 month in December.
So you didn't hear him decide for true, no?
Yes.
Tikaros.
Yeah, Tikaros. I remember say you have what I call the Malata people, the red people there.
Yeah, but him did use the term, him did say something like black dundus. You
don't have no black dundus in the world.
No, but hold on. You have, again, people were using the term dundus. I'm well aware it's a derogatory term, and it is it's in reference to albino. And it is not. It's not my desire to be insulting or whatever, but just by way of clarification for what we are talking about, what the caller did say. Be careful though. Remember that albinos. You have albinos are black people, you know.
I thought there was milky color people. I never know that.
No. Hold on. No. What I mean is, them skin don't black.
Right.
But genetically, they are black people.
Oh.
Right, but genetically, they are black people, but them skin not black. So if that is what he meant, which I don't think is what he meant, but if that is what he meant, but then he would be correct. Because again, albinos don't have black skin, but you have albinos who are black people. Them just don't have black skin because of them condition and things. So
exactly, but he might say. I think the man him say black like the African, them the black white people, color people. Him don't know one thing when my talk say. Him just a cross question.
Him say him black, and him say him a South African black, whatever that means. But him say him a South African black, and the man is like Dundus African, something like so.
But me sit down and me laugh and me start check it and me say the baby go 1 month December, so the baby when the baby born. Apparently he want to say the baby go 1 year all December.
Well, probably that's what he meant. But then but that can't right because but remember when me asked him say after that him said the baby is only 1 month old.
Yeah, but him said the baby go 1 month December.
What I'm saying is if you accommodate him for say what he meant was baby going to be 1 year old in December. And he made mistake and said 1 month. We still have to reconcile that with, at some point in the conversation, me said to him, say, how old is the baby? And him said the baby is 1 month. Remember I said the baby had dead stamp him and then him said the baby is 1 month. So it go back to alien argument where I say, yo, him argument not straight, I will heap a contradiction in it, and that is why she said I lie him a tell because the lie not straight. Yeah.
The lie not straight.
Yeah, the lie.
And the next thing again before me go, I have to ask Robert, which part him going to take me and too cute? He want to take out me and too cute, we haven't going to take out.
The man never said he want to take on out. The man did not say that. The man said he want to meet the two on one time. Why hold on. If a man say he want to meet a woman, I take her out some money I have to spend.
Of course, come over glory, come to cut with 10 and eat 2 lobster.
2 lobster, I just say that.
2 lobster and garlic sauce.
No, 2 lobster. Hold on, the man I meet you, and him have to buy lobster when him meet you.
So we want me and too cute for them.
Listen to me. Listen to me. The man can meet you and buy you a Shirley biscuit and a suck. A Shirley biscuit and a suck. A Shirley biscuit and a suck. And that's how you think there. A Shirley biscuit. Oh, you reach a lobster. Oh, you got a lobster. You're a lobster woman. You have lobster ratings. You have lobster ratings. You have lobster ratings. You have lobster ratings. May I ask you, you have lobster ratings?
Yes. I have lobster ratings. So all him doing can never go around buy me a pound of lobster. Right?
So, well, if me say to you, say, hot and spicy, make we link up. And then when we link up, me say, you know, say, make we well a bull to slice up here and one sky juice. You the bet?
Hey.
What?
That's when you die your yard, you go sit down and you feel peckish. You go feel peckish and you go so boop and drop in the bulla. And you grab your syrup and furthermore, me not drink syrup.
Well, let me tell you something.
Right?
Let me tell you something. As somebody interview Cindy Breakspear one time, you know, Cindy Break, Junior Gang mother, Bob Woody there, Bob Marley, right? And they must ask her something like, so they must say, so like, Bob buy you like a whole heap of expensive gifts and all them something or whatever, and she laugh and they must say, what? And she said, no, Bob, that is not Bob. So they must say like, Bob no buy gift and whatever. She said, yeah. But Bob would just come over with like a ripe mango, you know, and say, you know, all this in this, and bring something here for you, and thing or whatever. What?
She's wife. The two of them live together. So she expects any little thing from him. Me not even know Robert yes, if him have them little small eye, big eye, or whatever high. So when Robert
but that is exactly why you're not supposed to have gone a lobster. If you are say, me don't know the money and whatever this, or you reach a lobster, or you got a lobster.
A lobster, me go down a shrimp then. Me go down a shrimp.
No, not even shrimp. Not even shrimp. Not even shrimp. Not even shrimp. A Shirley biscuit and a suck. Shirley biscuit and a bag juice. Shirley biscuit and a bag juice, right?
Aye.
Well, make an upgrade from the Shirley biscuit. Make an upgrade from the Shirley biscuit.
Yeah, upgrade.
Upgrade from butter and cheese.
Yes.
Butter and cheese.
Aye.
Butter and cheese. What?
I have to feel see that. That I have to in my head back like 1 week. Put on my head back. Me that eat a bun and cheese. Me not buy bun and cheese.
No. Well, all right. Meatloaf. What patty? See?
No, me not. No.
Listen, hold on. I'm stretching here. Work with me.
No, me not work with you, brother. Me not work with you. I talk to myself. I talk to myself. Me not know what too cute I go talk for. Me say either a pound and lobster.
So hold on. You wanna go on a party date with a man?
No.
Why? What's wrong with that?
So why you go take me on a date and tell me that yes is our mother's are juicy beef?
No, we are meet for the first time and we can't say, all right, just meet me at taste the car, I buy some lunch and thing and whatever, and then, you know, buy a patty and a cocoa bread and thing and some orange juice and thing. And make a ketchup your stomach. What is wrong with that?
Brother, my stomach can ketchup me say either him carry go over Gloria's or one nice little restaurant, but me to sit down and laugh and talk. Me don't talk.
Listen, there's nothing wrong with going to a restaurant, you know. I'm not saying anything is inherently wrong with it. I'm just saying that you hold on. I'm just saying you just lock in on that and say, that's the thing after there. So me I say, can't you imagine a situation that, all right, fine, you can't go nice restaurant first date, I get it. But can't you also imagine a situation where you just meet a man and based on all the thing that flow, I'm sorry, I don't meet you on a tasty and thing and whatever, Ray. You want to be open to that? And you just hold a party
first of all, never ask, why never meet your tastes? First of all, why never meet your tastes? First of all, when you say you're going to buy me a party, I say, look here, They have to feel for the party. They have to feel that I have to eat on my body like pregnant woman, still on a weight. Me not just buy party.
Well, let me tell you something. I'm showing on the wicked, you know. One time I did Jamaica and I look one girl, you know. And you know, Lee's 5th Avenue up at Tropical Plaza up at what name there, right?
Up at Reddy's Road, that's all.
Constant Spring Road, not Reddy's Road, Constant Spring Road, right? You know, Plaza, you have, you know, Silver Slipper Plaza, Tropical Plaza, then Mall Plaza, then whatever. But Tropical Plaza, whatever this and remember, I get where we come from, you know, so, you know, Lee's 5th Avenue, a big store for with them time there, you know, whatever. I mean, I look at whatever, and then I put that. So I say, yo, if you link up, man, and Ray. And she had post me and thing, and finally when she said, all right, here I go on. I go there at least 5th Avenue, we can meet up there. So you think me go? Go where? Right?
Okay.
Right? So she have a card me now for me meet her at least 5th Avenue. Next thing she know, she look on her address and I say, boy, this nice and whatever. Like she want to come clown out gangster. And you know, say that, nah, work. So when I say, yeah, General, you can't meet a humble look man like Robert and I talk about Robert for carry go over Glory and make a cut it in and eat up some lobster and whatever and all them something there. You're wicked. You're wicked.
You caught them and reach a patty and cocoa bread.
No. That is an upgrade. Listen to me. What you say?
Burger King then.
You were
Burger King then.
You will
Either
work.
Burger King or Domino's. I want pizza out. Anyway, all right, me count down.
So hold on. Burger King and Domino's better than Patty?
Of course.
You sure?
Of course, me sure.
You don't think so? Patty? Well, I mean, see him here, so.
No. So either me go Burger King or I go to a pizza. Either Domino or any pizza hut. Any pizza location,
pizza hut,
right?
yeah. Go sit down at a pizza hut. Okay, auntie.
Thank you.
All right. And if you're going there, what kind of pizza you order?
I love pepperoni.
Pepperoni.
I love pepperoni.
Okay,
yeah.
Well, most
so
people
guess
do.
What?
Okay, all
right. So, me a talk from now that Robert sit down and listen and go and budget himself and decide in mind, right?
Yo. Mariska Dennis, brother, Mariska Dennis up at Philadelphia, she said, never trust a woman who want pepperoni pizza on her first date. What she mean by that? What do you think she mean by that? She named Mariska Dennis. She there at Philadelphia. And she post, she said, never trust a woman who want pepperoni pizza on her first date. What do you think Mariska mean by that? She said that about you.
Because I don't know, maybe the man don't eat pepper, I don't know. I don't know.
She said never trust a woman. She's referring to you. She said
me, yeah, I know she's referring to me.
Yeah.
But I'm saying I don't know why she said that.
Okay.
I don't know.
Okay.
So me attack, I have some little big phone of take up things from me attack, so don't do not leave, you can cock in big ears and listen.
Yeah.
Tell Robertson now say he can start out himself. Right?
Yeah.
Him not have to know about me live.
Right.
I'm not going to send the credit. He can transfer the credit to Too Cute and Too Cute transfer it to me.
Yeah, it never makes sense for him. I say, I want to know where you live and things. So I say, you don't have to know where she live for gas and all the credit.
And I digital credit me use.
I digital credit to you. But yeah, when I say, I'm going to ask you something now. I have a rule. And tell me if you rule right. I tell people this. Anytime you have a friend who plan them wedding, I plan big wedding, and I tell you what them are going to want you get for them. Before them even have a man, you know if you trust a friend there, I tell you, and don't go to the wedding or nothing or whatever, because them going to be a bridezilla, them are going to be one of them terrible people. Am I wrong or am I right?
You're right.
Why am I right?
Because if never plan my wedding, I'm supposed to tell you my rules, my regulation. So you see, if you come now, and you feel like what, I'm going to throw you out, you know.
No, I'm going to take it here when I say a while ago. I said them women who always have all these lofty and big, grandiose plans to them wedding, and them don't have a man, them don't have the man yet, you know. Anytime you hear a woman chat up one bag or something and she don't have a man, I probably get man, but of all these things that she want, I find that those women, them end up, is either them a robber and them a thief, or them overkill, them always want too much. Them always want too much. What?
Somebody call me name to you.
With what?
You know tell me a chat?
Why you say that?
Because me always sit down and say that. No.
Okay.
Somebody call me name. Somebody a chat here with me.
No, me don't know. Because
no, too good. You know I always sit down and plan on my wedding big already. I'm not the man yet.
Well, then you are somebody not to be trusted then.
Why? No, man. I will tell you.
No, well, I find that those women who stay, so them always want to go too hard. You know, them always want to go way too hard. Way too hard. Them a problem.
No.
Them woman, they are problem. Them woman, they are problem. Any woman who not a man, and attack go everything with them wanting and them wedding and thing. Not only them not no man, them even have problem to get a man. Them even have problem to get a man. So you see when them do get a man, them a make sure say them milk everybody. And them is just like a piece of stress for everybody and them want the world or whatever this and that. And think. And you see them woman there? Hold on. They will talk every day about the wedding, but not say nothing about the marriage. Anytime you hear a woman, I chat one bag of things about what she want for her wedding, wedding. But now talk and be as equally excited about what is really important and is what happened after the wedding, which is the marriage. Anytime you hear a woman, in fact, me I say this, all man out there, if you have a woman who every day she get up, she just talk about the wedding. What she want for the wedding, the wedding. And she's not as excited and focused on the marriage. If you don't hear she talk about what type of wife she's going to be, if you don't hear she talk about some goals and thing and how she gonna enrich the marriage or whatever, but she there on the wedding, do not marry her. Do marry her. Listen to Ragashanti. Any woman where you hear and focus on the wedding and not focus on the marriage is not a good woman. That is a Satan concubine. She is a Satan concubine. A bad luck, a stress, a problem. What?
Yeah, you don't preach.
Yeah.
And when you hear one girl attack, I'm tell her, say, me have the money.
What?
The man on the next thing at my wedding.
What?
A Michael Bolton.
A Michael what?
Michael Bolton.
You don't make Michael Bolton sing at your wedding?
Yeah. I told me one, because my veil supposed to be weird on the so. I'm the weird up there. So me have big dream. Me have a big wedding.
No, but you see, you are confirming exactly what me I say.
That me say somebody call me name to your brother, you know, you what me say?
Yeah, because when I listen to you now, you up on the phone attack to me right now. You hear the sound them around you, a beer bullfrog I sing around you, but it's Michael Bolton you want to sing at your
Of course, and a Twilight what you want to.
What? So you want to move from bullfrog to Michael Bolton, don't it?
Yes, and Twilight wedding. Twilight wedding, I always tell me say some want.
What is a Twilight wedding?
Start 6 o'clock.
So, listen to me, man.
Me don't want a morning wedding.
Well,
me count out my bridesmaid, and me count out my best man them already.
Well, what about you? You don't want a simple wedding, like simple dress and whatever, and you know, a few people. You don't want that. You want a big wedding with Michael Bolton and thing and whatever.
Yeah. I'm not wearing no flat shoes now. I'm supposed to have an heels. I'm not supposed to have flat shoes.
People want to hear the confirmation on a sister mass ragga right. On a sister mass ragga right.
Of course you're
right?
right.
You hear right up on the phone. Wait, be quiet for a second. Don't say nothing. People don't hear them sound there. And the bullfrog them there. Right? So she know who they attack to me with a very nice Jamaican bullfrog them is a Michael Bolton she want. People, and she don't have a man. Anytime you hear the woman a chat about the wedding but not talk about the marriage, anytime you hear the woman them a talk about one bag of sitting where them want about the wedding and them don't have a man, avoid them. Them a problem.
No.
Them people, them see man I gonna tell about, it is my day. I'm supposed to get what I want. It is my day. I'm supposed to get what I want, and I want Michael Bolton. And what move your little cross himself from your son, go broke no one can broke people and all these things and whatever. Not happening. Not happening.
When I will not broken, we're not supposed to know, listener. It's our day. We're not supposed to know, so we're supposed to make it happy.
Tell me something. Hold on. We have 1 minute to go. Why is a wedding the bride day, but it's not the groom day? Why them do that?
Because maybe it's a tradition thing.
I know it's a tradition, but you think that, hold on, you think that is a good idea for you to start the ceremonial affirmation of this important thing called marriage, but you don't have this thing where it's the bride's day. It's all about the bride. I don't think that is a good idea, you know.
Yeah, because the bride gonna look excellent that day.
Me not talk about the looks, but just said this important place and the bride. Why you don't place the importance on both of them and the union and them moving? I know said that in night, but there's this thing, it's the bride's day.
Remember when the man stand up at the altar and say the bride coming down the aisle.
Them are gonna cut you off for the 3 minute and thing, you know. But bless up yourself, you know. Big up yourself. I hope you get to Michael Bolton at your wedding. Here, I hope you get to Michael Bolton.
Yes, because I gotta work.
Yeah, gotta work.
I
gotta send Michael Bolton for you. You're lucky.
Remember you are the MC. Yeah. Remember you are the MC.
I will MC it. But I hear when you know everybody I eat them going right back to Shirley Biscuit, Bulla and Suck.
You must be cooked. You're mad.
So forward.
The Bridge 99 FM, keeping the Caribbean connected.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Back in the juggling, back in the juggling, back in the juggling. I Ragashanti live with thing there, you understand? Once a big respect to everybody in Jamaica right now listening to Big Bad Bridge 99 FM and thing. Big up on yourself. Big up everybody right just in New York City and beyond all over the United States and Canada listening right now and thing. You don't know the thing global, I saw the thing set to over here and sitting. Brand Ragashanti global long time. And you don't know, say in partnership with the Bridge 99 FM and IrieJam Radio and thing. The thing just expand exponentially. Them big word there. Ah, Jesus, some of them word there, you know. Too much. What is it you love most about Jamaica or Jamaicans? What is the thing where you love most about Jamaica or Jamaicans and thing? Yo, people, me know what they say. Yo, when we grew up, you know. Well, I get how we grew up. And when we grew up, trade man and trade woman was the thing. If you was a trade man, and when we say trade woman, you have a skill, a marketable skill, where some demand is in there for your product. Real things you get. So, you know, tailor, mason, carpenter, dressmaker, whatever. So, tailor and dressmaker, the beginner, them make school uniform, and them make we look with yard and we buy with lengths, yard and third, yard and half lengths, with turleen and wool. Them time that we all wear gabardine and all them something there. All back in the day, some woman used to have one cloth named Crimpoline and they sit there and whatever. And you go to dressmaker and you go to your tailor. Nowadays, them woman and use dressmaker again, you know, or tailor again, you know. If you call them dressmaker or tailor, you know, they liable if you all just look for you with scan, you know. Everybody a designer now. Everybody a designer now. The dressmaker, you can't call them dressmaker again. Back in the day, it was a proud, honorable thing to be a dressmaker or a tailor. Nowadays, in Jamaican people, no, I'm not a dressmaker, I'm a designer. Thank you. I'm a designer. Hello. Get it right, okay? And somebody you can't even say the designer, you have to say stylist. I'm a stylist. Yo, how things change? Give me a call, Pressy. Hello. Greetings. Hello.
Hello, you hear me?
I'm hearing you. Wagwan. Yeah, Wagwan.
Not a thing. The thing I'm love boy yard.
Yeah.
It's the fact that you don't have to call.
If you what?
Tell nobody say I come look for them. You don't have to call to tell nobody say I go look for them.
If what?
You just show up in the yard.
Oh, yes.
In Jamaica? Yeah.
Yes.
I'm from St. Elizabeth, really. St. me come from. So.
Yeah.
You just come in the yard and you sit down and you chat and you cook and you eat, and if you wash, then jump in a pan with you and wash. And next thing to the whole fruit thing, you know hungry.
Well, before you go to the food thing, in terms of the comparison, up here now, if you turn up a people yard and unannounced, the people get offended. If your relative them, you know, if some of your relative them, but she never call. She never call. Oh, she just comes unannounced and thing. It's true. Them the two in that's something that up here you can't turn. Yeah.
And 9 years old, me up here, and day in, day out, I tell my friend, them and cook, say, come up, just come. You don't have to come in here, just come, just show up. Never have that happen.
Well, me not gonna lie, you know, so me not gonna lie to me, I'll tell you the truth. I tell you the truth. Me see what you say because I saw we live when we go Aunt Bibsy, we just take bus and go up Augustine and we go to Aunt Bibsy. We all go country and we don't have to tell people, say, what you do here? I want breeze blow here. I want breeze blow here. Come in, man. Come in and go right away and think. But me not lie. Me not know what, but up here, me don't want nobody to come turn up on me yard and me don't know up here. Me don't know if I two up here just kind of run different with certain things. Me don't want nobody come turn up on my yard. Too tough up here because me don't know what is what.
You're not going to tell anybody.
Yeah.
But you're not going to tell anybody to show up a yard. Or somebody who you know, so you're good friend. You understand it?
Okay.
So you can't trust it. You say you can't show up anytime, but that never happens.
You don't have no problem with your good friend them and thing just show up at your yard anytime. You don't have no problem with that?
No. You know, so me not behavior because I show up at my friend them yard. Me drive and me pass. And I say, oh, me just drop by in the yard anywhere.
Seen.
All right. care.
And what you say about the fruits,
them? Accept me or not?
Whether them accept you or not. But you see, through me, rank and face, I mean, like nobody come all this me and I give me bad face and all them sitting there. Me afraid to do all them something there, you know. Me afraid to do them something there. But anyway, man. What you say about the fruits, them, you know? What you say about the fruits, them, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yo, you see, when you have the mango tree, the coconut tree, the guinea, yo, the robin mango tree, yo, and coconut, you can't hungry. Pomegranate.
You know, say you want a real senti woman for true. You know why? A while ago, a while ago you said Robin. I think it is one of the most curious things that the way you pronounce Robin mango. And think senti people, them say rad, them stretch the Robin. On say Robin, you know, that's a Robin mango. And it's so every senti.
Yes.
Yeah, so you're a definite senti for true or whatever. I'm a virgin Pepsi boss me on that, you know. Pepsi, you know, who do sit there over Crawford there and thing within Go Club and sitting. I ain't boss me on Robin. Hey, I want the sweetest mango that me ever eat, you know, man.
Sweetest mango, man.
But when I suppose
one named Chinky.
What mango named Chinky? No, me don't want that. Me don't want that. That don't sound good. That don't sound good. That don't sound good. Me don't name no chink. Me don't name nothing with Chinky. That don't sound good.
Yo, it's sweet. It's sweet. It's sweet. It's
Yo,
sweet.
Suppose I tell you something. This is you see your Jamaica liquor there? When you go some different part of Jamaica, you know, you have some fruits, you know, especially like mango and thing. When I don't know where else, you know. Because suppose I tell you, a rabbit mango not really there Kingston like that.
Mm-hmm.
No, you know over there, so. You know over there, so.
Kingston say a while too, but you don't see it. You don't see it.
Yeah, you not really over there like that or whatever. And when me go send to me and tell you, say, my virgin Pepsi boss me upon rabbit mango and things. So I say, then I wear the mango here and Pepsi, I say, I really hung over here, so it there, you know. And whatever. You don't never think that cause, you know, so you think Jamaica small, so everything there everywhere. But and that is not the case.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you want them bun side, you want the rabbit mango, them bun side, and then bun it short.
Wait, no, hold on. The way me hear about bun side, you know, we have a caller, she named Sekebaka me, and she had done one girl, and she said, Raga, that the girl there bun side right mango. And I say, what that means, Seke? She said, mango was Japan ground and sun bun it on the side where up and thing. Nobody don't want that. You understand? So, you as a bun side now, is that something good?
No. It's something, the rabbit mango, when it black, the skin start black, man.
But what the bun side? What do you mean by bun side? Which bun side? What you say bun side?
The black spot. We call them bun side. The black spots come up on it, man, and that's when it's sweet.
Oh, when you freckle up, when you freckle up and thing. So the bun side have anything to do with the sun or bun it on the side or something? I don't just,
no,
a spot.
No, none of that.
I just a spot. I just a black spot. Okay.
Yeah.
Yo, may I tell you something about senti woman too, you know? You know what say, who want vex. But you know what say, out of all of the parish them where I go, and people hear me say this already, so I don't know what I lie, me I tell. Senti are the first parish me go where woman just independent in a way where them just spend them money per man when them feel like it.
For real. That's true.
No, is it me go senti and me and woman a go different woman. Not looking sting. But I go some woman back on my money. Raga, where are they? We're good, man. And is this the senti thing? It's a senti thing. I mean, no looking thing, you know. We just, after a while, I say, Pepsi, I walk one over here, say, why them woman here like, them say, no, we will spend more money, another problem. And them say, it's just a thing over here. I don't know where that come from in a senti. I don't know where that come from. Me we a fight for spend my money. Me we a argue for spend. Put in back your money, Raga, man. We have your man, just cool and whatever. And it's a senti thing. Anyways, me go whatever this and that woman make me spend my money. In a Jamaica, they make me spend my money.
Oh, yeah.
For the most part. But senti woman, them just have a thing where like, no, man, don't worry your money, man. You're good, man. Boom, bam, 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 bam. No looking thing or anything, you know. It's just a thing with them. Them just
for real. That's
I don't know where it come from or why the woman them over the stairs, but I find that very interesting, you know. And
yep.
So tell me something I know. Last question and thing.
Mm-hmm.
Compare the Jamaican man them America with the Jamaican man them a Jamaican thing. Is there any difference or them basically are the same thing?
Well, you will see it. We can't tell about that one day, no.
Oh, you can't tell about that one.
We can't because of me the bush. A bush me there.
You there,
So I don't see much Jamaican.
Oh, you there, a bush you there? Oh, which part you live? A bush you there, a bush you there. All right, leave it right there. So
yeah, man, I live out in a country, in a Georgia,
in a country, in a Georgia. Okay, big up yourself down there in a Georgia.
Yeah, man, with the farm and thing, you know.
With your farm? Nice. You have your little farm and citizen, huh?
Yeah, man.
What they on your farm?
Yeah, man, I prep for the market tomorrow.
I lie, seriously?
Yesterday I wash some eggs to carry market tomorrow.
Egg at carry market. What else you have on your farm?
Chicken, pig, guinea fowl, duck, turkey, geese.
Wow. Oh, so you're dealing with the animal thing on the farm.
Cereal, with the rum cake.
Cereal and rum cake.
Coquito.
Nice.
Coquito.
So wait, are you a farm? Are you run the farm?
Yeah, man. Me and my husband run it.
Yeah, your husband run it and thing. Nice. Big up on yourself, man. Big up on yourself. Here. Proper respect.
Yeah,
and yell up your boss for me. Yeah, yell up your boss for me too. Yeah.
We'll do.
Man,
all right.
Yeah, man.
All right, Raga. Later.
Yeah,
bye.
It's just interest. I mean, a lot of people are farm here, so it's nothing new. But when you're a Jamaican woman, you know, with a nice look of energy and proud of our farm and thing and whatever, right here in the United States of America, down there in Georgia and all these things. Man thing. See all people miss it down there in Georgia, so she want to know where the market, they figure buy from her and all these things. Give me a next caller, President. Hello. Greetings. Hello. Somebody there on the line, but me not hear them. Me hear the line open. Hello. Right. Let go that present. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. What you love the most about Jamaica? What you love the most about Jamaica or Jamaicans, right? What is it you love the most? Why, you have this fancy term, entrepreneur, and it just means, you start a business and you run it yourself and whatever. I know I look a common term for it, if you can hustle. If you can hustle. And we have all kind of little phrases. If you can turn your hand, make fashion, for example. Turn your hand, make fashion. Which basically is a way like, can you make something out of nothing? And I want to commend the Jamaican people for that, man. Because, everywhere we go, people always commend Jamaicans for that. A fancy term for that is resourceful and creative, right? Resourceful, right? Jamaicans are problem solvers, right? And, suck salt out a wooden spoon. You have all kind of term for them, something or whatever. True a lot of Jamaicans in some, austere setting or some challenging setting or whatever. And Jamaicans are going to use them creativity and them smart and find some way. If I even some generalship, when I just came to America or whatever, and I was speaking to non-Jamaicans who are attracted to Jamaicans and things, that was one of the things them love about Jamaicans, Particularly the woman was like, yo, no man, Jamaican men, even when there is nothing, they will make something out of nothing or whatever, So, I just want to big up the Jamaican people for that. We have that creativity, that resourcefulness and things like, you throw away in the roughest of situation and we will struggle and find some way, through creativity, ingenuity, smarts, wiles, wiles, cleverness and all kind of thing and whatever. You see that Anansiism in a way, and again, Anansi is a little general and thing and them outsmart people. But I'm saying another way to describe Anansi is that Anansi is creative and smart. And you put Anansi in an impossible situation, and Anansi will outsmart brother Tiger, him outsmart brother Lion, and outsmart the people who are more powerful. That is Jamaica right there. I have always admired our people with that capacity that we have and thing. And of course, these are certainly not traits or qualities that are unique to Jamaicans. I'm just saying that Indeed, we do possess it. So we are one of those groups of people who possess them. You have some other people in bad part, the Nigerian, them, Lord Jesus, what? Ghanaians, them too, very clever and smart and resourceful too. But I'm just want to big up in Jamaican people and for that. Give me a call, President. Hello.
Raga.
Yeah, Wagwan.
Big up.
Seeing?
Yeah, man. Everything go on.
Well, you have the radio playing in the background. We can't hear it. You're moving from that and turn it off. Here? Yeah.
Me now.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Big up.
Yeah.
Alright, here we go now. Alright, so the lady with the bullfrog in her background. What's her name?
Hot and spicy, yeah.
You know, I disagree with her upon a level though.
What you disagree with her with? Talk up.
No, man, when she say, yo, when she meet Robert and thing.
Yeah.
Like for the first time, if she meet a man for the first time.
Yeah.
She want lobster.
Lobster.
No, brother.
Talk to her, man. She out harder. Talk to her about it, yeah.
Yeah, me say.
Yeah.
If you meet a man for the first time, party.
Yeah.
Is a must.
Oh, what you mean, party? Why you say must, though? Why you say must?
No, man, no. Alright, watch out. We can go Tasties.
Yeah.
Or KFC. Cause here no Raga.
Yeah.
You have to cry before you walk, Raga.
You have to cry before you walk. Yeah.
You understand? And she want to go lobster, brother, for the first time. No, man, brother. No. And nothing wrong, if a matter of time, no, so you can't carry a woman go dinner for the first time. Nothing wrong with that. And if you want to impress her, you carry her go a nice restaurant. But saying that you can do that doesn't mean that in all situations it would be a bad thing. If a man say, okay, meet me so and we are going to hold like a party and thing. And meet me at Tasty. What wrong? Nothing wrong with that. I see nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong. And then now, with somebody like she, she go come after way there. You know, think say, what you think about the woman them who say, oh, if I meet me or whatever, I have to meet over Gloria Labs, I'm one. If you interested in a woman and she has said that and thing, how you don't feel about her? No, first thing, would I turn her from that because not saying I can't carry good in Raga, but for the first time, no man. Our chest too high, brother.
Our chest too high. All right, but Mariska down at Philadelphia, she said, but you don't want crutches on the first night. You mother Hamilton say, kiss me teeth. That's why we have a fancy place by ourselves and want to sit down out the door. Bride, what you think about that?
Well, no, but it's not every man like that.
Exactly. Yeah, because
she make it look like say every man do that.
Yeah.
You get me?
I will carry a woman go a nice place and me not go look from her the first night.
No, yeah.
Right. So me not go do that and thing. And there's circumstances where we be like, no man, me I carry her go a nice restaurant. But what I'm saying is taking a woman to a nice restaurant is welcome. I think it's a good thing and everything. But if you chat to a woman and you're interested in her and she is saying, yeah, if you can't go nice restaurant, a lobster, I want her. Me no want her. If you roll away there, back in the day, me I say, oh, I saw you stay. In my mind now, me I think, oh, me forget it with the least amount of expense. You follow what me I say? Because the way you roll out for me now, like, oh, you think some man a fool on here. You know what I say, them type of, yeah, but it makes sense to me I say the distinction.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Man, you correct me, G.
Yeah. But I like a hot and spicy right you know, one thing where she has to, she want to go over Glory and a lobster she want and I'm not disrespect her, you know. I'm going to say, you don't deserve it, but her next woman deserve it. But she say, yo, I don't forget, and and this and that. And mine, you know, she call on her vibes, you know. I read you know, but anybody know hot and spicy long enough, they know, so she's serious about them, so.
Yeah.
So you don't have a problem of meet a woman for the first time and you carry her somewhere where she eat an expensive meal? You have a problem?
No, I don't have a problem with it.
No, but why you say party is a must? Must. Why you use the word must?
No, well, I'm sorry. No, man.
I mean, parties are must. I mean, like, we could have go taste it, you know.
Yeah, they're not. You're basically saying nothing is wrong with that.
Yeah, when them go
right.
Small place there.
Right.
Yeah, I understand.
But so you would have a problem, like, you know, you're going out with a woman for the first time. You know you're not gonna look in the front from her the first time, but you're taking her to some place nice where she can eat lobster and an expensive meal and the chandelier. What do you have a problem doing that?
Well, I was saying no, but I mean, I go deep on a regular basic, you know.
No, what I mean is, say you meet a woman who you really like her, she's nice and pleasant, and you're interested in her, you want to see where it's going, and, you know, look at courting and dating and thing. And the first time you go out now, would you have a problem if you say, boy, I'm going to spend some good money and give this woman a wonderful, classy time or whatever? Do you have a problem with it? Which means you may take her to a very, very nice, expensive dinner at a nice place, knowing full well that you're not going to look front from her that night. Do you have a problem doing that?
No.
Oh, okay.
We're not do that.
Okay. I don't see anything wrong with that. If it's your choice or whatever. But what you think about the Jamaican man them who say, oh, I afford that you think from me I spend so much money front off a run. What you think about them man that who say so?
Well, I don't know if you say about that, I swear.
Why?
No, well, I don't know, but I don't work for still, you know.
You don't work, so okay.
I don't work for Zane.
So do they have a point, or is there a legitimate, is there some validity? Is there something to understand here if a man say, yo, time I know your man and them a woman are cool and whatever, so if me I go spend so much money upon a woman front of a run, well, you know, the only way I'm front now for run is if we are going to hold a party or so, or we just do a little small thing, I want Burger King, but from here I spend all them big money the panera and I go spend all them $300, $400 dinner there and them something in the front of, what you think them have a point?
Yeah, they might have a point now because them buying a Raga.
Yeah.
Remember saying, you know, probably they just want to be if you impress, you know?
Yeah, what that go? What?
I must say probably they want to do if you impress the lady.
No, them man is not even about impress, you know, they must say it's exchange.
Exchange?
Yeah, well, them not literally say it, but that is where they are. And them, you know, them have this thing here where them say, you have woman out there who would just date the hell out of a man and take everything on time and thing and nothing no run. So, this, you know, that's the argument. And I say, you have some woman cool like that or whatever, and we just act like, say, oh, but you have my company. So, for you have my company, you're supposed to spend for me, but not then I go run and things. So, when I say you have man out there who say, no, you have some woman out there, them take man for granted and use man with them something and whatever. So, I the man for put on him foot. Right? It's being choice. Yeah. So if you know, say that around the place where you spend a whole heap of money per woman out there and thing and them nothing now run, and the man them say, well, the man for know himself. So if for govern him things where if I'm gonna spend a whole heap of money per him, for govern him things for make sure it's a front can run. So me I said you think say them have some, you think say there's some validity to that reasoning there?
Yeah man.
Okay.
Yes man.
Okay. Yeah. Where do you call from?
TJ from Kingston.
From Kingston. All right, TJ from...
Raga,
yeah.
The first part of your program, Zane.
Yeah.
When you just find out the National Tree of Jamaica and them thing there.
Yeah.
The National Tree of Jamaica blew my home, man.
Right. And
the flower are lignum vitis.
Right, but you remember I was saying that those are the two things that always confuse people because when you look on them, the flower is a tree. Right?
Yeah.
And the bloomer, when you look on it and say this is the national tree of Jamaica, what we're seeing is a flower.
Mm-hmm.
So when I was in school, that confused me.
That
confused me when I was in school.
But Raga, yeah, we're going now because you said we must tell you one thing we like about Jamaican and thing.
Yeah.
Raga, I tell you honest truth. It's a Jamaican woman named Raga.
Yeah.
But I'm not going to say all of them still, you know, but when I get like a 90%,
yeah,
they may have sex anywhere in Jamaica.
It's a 90% of Jamaican women, they will do it anywhere.
Anywhere.
Them adventurous like that. With them man, of course. Yeah, you basically say who them like or who them deal with or who them love.
Yeah. With them man, Zane, Yeah. Yeah.
Why you say 90%? Why you say 90%?
No man, because me know of a lot of women who do that.
Okay, them.
Let me know.
Them have the Well, how old are you, if you don't mind me asking?
I'm 31, man.
You're 31. All right. Me ever tell you, say, that is one of the things that has changed. Because people, just so you know, people, him not insult Jamaican women. He's saying that Jamaican women have a kind of adventurousness and a kind of relaxed thing with them. Like when them there with them man or them husband or whoever them there with or whatever, them not have a problem for, you know, do it, whatever. But would you believe that up to about, but that's about 25, 30 years ago, it wasn't like that, you know.
Exactly.
You did have a lot of women, you know, they found it insulting if you want to do anything with them outside of the bedroom or outside of the, you know, whatever. And then the women who used to do that, they were viewed as being unusual and unconventional, and some people wrongly accuse them of being loose on them, something there, you know. When women do it outside or upon the bonnet and put up one foot and whatever and thing. But you're right, that has changed. Jamaican women have, the older one, them still have that little conservative thing there with them. But, you know, your generation and thing, them more, you know, them more relaxed with them thing there and kind of fun all about and all them something. Yo, when we did here one time, them go hear so one girl go have sex in a Carib theater. You know, you remember Carib theater where Carib still about?
Carib?
Yeah.
Well, I'm not sure no, because a long time I touch inside there, so I'm not sure.
Because you don't know the movie thing no, that in everybody house now. But them go hear say she have sex at Carib. Let me tell you something, man. Let me tell you something, man. Them the amount of done men with a girl that get careless, dirty, nasty girl, have sex in a theater, in a cinema. And them a beat the woman and not beat the man, you know.
True.
Them a beat the woman. Now you have sex in a theater, people don't even fart by you.
Reggae, people are in a church, you know, brother.
Say what?
People have sex in a church, too.
No, we not. Well, you said that I go on regularly, you know?
No. I wouldn't say regularly.
Not regularly, but it's not unusual.
Yeah, it happened, though.
Let me tell you something about when one of my former mentors, Professor Barry Shavans, right? Is him hire me for work at when I went to the University of the West Indies as a lecturer. He was the one who recruited me.
Yeah.
And his thing was Jamaica is loaded with contradictions. Yeah. And that if anybody come at Jamaica and you just look on the surface and think you understand Jamaica, it is, you know, you're in for some rude awakenings. One day, me dey on East Queen Street. You know Gold Street, half East Queen Street? It's almost in front of East Queen Street Baptist Church, right? Carla? Or it look like we lose the Carla. Credit done. So let me tell you this. So we live at South, right? And, you know, East Queen Street, and we did go East Queen Street Baptist Church. I did at a church that I grew up in. And we did also live on Gold Street. We run off of East Queen Street. But, you know, it almost, Gold Street, almost in front of the church, but it's not quite in front of the church. One time, one woman a cuss, and she did on East Queen Street, you know, but it on the top of Gold Street, right? So Gold Street run perpendicular off of East Queen Street, right? That means that she did near to the entrance of the church, but not at the entrance of the church, at the top of Gold. And she and some people are cuss. And crowd out of Gold Street, out there's ever jiggy, ever lively and thing, out there's East Queen Street. And what name them shop did there and whatever. And she and some people are cuss. And people, you know, say that woman turn round. That the people who she cuss them on Gold Street, right at the corner of Gold Street and East Queen Street. And that woman turn round And in the middle of her cussing, she drop her drawers, man. Fling up her skirt, And then she put her two hand them behind her. And I'm going to sanitize what I'm about to say now, but you know, understand. Held both her cheeks, both cheeks of her gluteus maximus, or buttocks, spread them, and in the very colorful Jamaican ghetto language, invited the people to come and what time of night now, President? It's 11:30. I invited the people and to come S out or B hole. When she did it, all who did ignore the cussing, them just, oh God, man, that is so disgusting. Exactly, Mariska, that she said. She said that everybody was like, that is just so disgusting. Why you do that and thing? And everybody had done her and she in her business and she tell them what them for come drain and this and that, and after she done the so and so on for come liquor. And she was just most, people who don't know me terrible. And I found her disgusting, right? I don't know some me terrible already, right? B did find her disgusting. It was just shocking. It was appalling. And whatever, she just tear out that thing and say, come S out me, B hole, and whatever this, and she shake it and she bend over with her head between her legs and she dare me care. Remember we were talking about contradiction. And when she done, she put on back her clothes and thing, and when the argument done, she walk with now. She walk with now and she go towards where me they live over Blake Road. But of course she have to pass the entrance at the church. People, would you believe this same woman who bend over and tear out her anus and tell the people them to come S, you know the S out her anus. Jamaican term, B hole, you know what the B mean. She saw two young people a walk a come down out of East Queen Street Baptist Church. And all them a do a hug up, a walk and a do some little chups and a kiss and whatever. And people, that same woman, she became so incensed, mad, angry. And she I want to in the church and kiss up and this and that. Want to stop kiss up in the church and them to out there. Want to respect God. And what kind of slackness that in the church? People, this is the same woman who just tear out her bum, and tell the people them to come suck out her bum and all these things, And she see two innocent little young people doing what young people do, chups and one another in the church. And for her, that was offensive and unacceptable and unconscionable that they're doing that in the church. Hence the contradiction. And therein lies Jamaica. I can give you example after that. So somebody, we say she, I said that to the young people and think them understand her, but don't understand her because it's the same person who will skin out her bottom and do whatever. Somebody will come and see her as skin out her bottom and think and categorize her and think them understand her, but them don't understand her because she's the same person who would be offended with two young people just innocently hug up on a walk and a chups and whatever. Jamaicans are like that, Jamaicans are like that. We are multi-tiered. We are multi-layered, and it's part of the cultural character of the country. As a collective, we are like that. And there are people who have all this scholarship that say it's a consequence. If you understand Jamaican history, it makes sense. Remember, we are the first country down there with the Haitian Revolution, Toussaint Louverture and all of them. Amazing thing was accomplished there against the French colonialism. But remember, the Maroons, them, man, beat the British, to the point where the British say, yo, we beat everybody, we go all over the world and beat everybody. We can't beat them people here. We have to negotiate with them and whatever, right? So, I'm just using that as an example. The argument that some people made was that there is something about Jamaica. We'll go back to the resourcefulness from me saying, right? During slavery in the West Indies, The bad slave them where them couldn't control or whatever. A Jamaica them send them, because the British them was known as the wickedest over Jamaica, but they were known as the wickedest because the Africans who were there, they were very smart and clever, and them go up in the mountains, up in the cockpit country. From the cockpit country go right across to Portland and thing. Nanny have the Maroons, Cujo, a compound and them and whatever. So they're saying it is in our history to beat any system. And in beating any system, we know how to wear masks efficiently and effectively and convincingly. So the idea is Jamaicans have the capacity to morph into anything that they need to morph into in order to ensure their survival or to secure certain gains. In other words, Jamaicans can act really well when it comes to role playing and them thing there. When it comes to adapting, when it comes to adjusting and whatever, the idea is that we have that flexibility. We can be a lot of things in a lot of things, and all of them things that can be very different. In other words, you can't really lock we in, you can't place with, you can't beat with. That is the idea behind. But so when you think you know a Jamaican, you don't know a Jamaican, you know. When you see a Jamaican in a one incident, one event, and you say, yes, you know a Jamaican, be careful. Be careful. When you think you know a Jamaican, you may very well not know that Jamaican. Catch them in a different context and dog have your supper. You know much people there with Jamaican, and when certain side of them bust out and think, them are like, who is this? This is not the person this is not the person I was dating. This is not the person I married. This is a total different person. Because I'm mad, them are mad. We're so forward.
Yo, this is Shaggy. Yeah, out to many one music, baby. You're listening to IrieJam Radio. Yeah, number one. Yeah.
If the feeling is good, I want to hear you say Irie.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Yeah, man, back in our juggling people. Yeah, man, I see one of that and thing and whatever. But that is remedied and thing. It was one, I guess, what I did for come in, and then the song come in and thing and whatever and so forth. Kevin Linton post. Raga gonna look for president. Yo, Prezi, come here. I want to your party. Come, people. Come, Prezi. Come talk to the people and boy your birthday party, man. Even though I be a stress, you give me all the while. But you hold the fort and thing. I want to your birthday party, General.
Next week, Sunday, the 21st.
Next week, Sunday, the 21st, your party. Where?
It's going to be in Queens, secret location.
A secret location in Queens, so you now put the venue out there. When the people are going to know the venue?
Probably Saturday.
This Saturday coming. Or them are going to know? Where them for look for find out where the venue?
My Instagram.
Your Instagram. What is the name of your Instagram, T?
Prezi Bashman.
Prezi Bashman. Spell a president. It's spelled with a Y or a I-E?
I.
It's spelled just with a I?
Mm-hmm.
P-R-E-Z-Z-I?
Yeah.
And then Bashman, one word?
One word.
P-R-E-Z-Z-I, Bashment and thing and whatever. What kind of party it is and thing?
It's a day party. It's called Euphoria.
Euphoria?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. It's a day party. That means what time it going to start?
2 p.m.
2 p.m.
And it concludes at 8 p.m.
And it concludes at 8 p.m. So 2 p.m. to 8 p.m.
Yeah.
So big people who can go support President, have family, you know. When nobody listen to me a cuss out in nastiness, all right, and thing. So TamFam, and you're going to some place in Queens.
Yes.
From 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. Sunday, August 31st. 21st. Oh, so...
And next week, Sunday.
Next week, Sunday. Yeah. Oh, Sunday. Okay, next week. Not Sunday.
I'll come.
The other Sunday. Yeah. All right, then, people. So what kind of vibe people can look for at a party?
Like a day party, kind of light vibe, nothing too hardcore, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Fun and enjoyment.
And thing. People want to go support the nurse in this party, you know. You understand? You know, for roll out and thing and whatever. I won't be around, so I cannot go. I just tell you from now, because, you know, I have some previous commitment leading to the same exam that we tell you about and thing like that. So People, wanna go support Prezi Man and thing and go and party. Just look out for it. Follow him at Prezi Bashment. Prezzibashment. Did I spell Bashment correct? Because I know say sometimes I don't, you know. And thing, I want to make sure so I go and party the 21st and thing. All right? Okay, people, that's it. Prezi party. Next week, Sunday, not Sunday, I'll come here and thing. Jamaicans have a way like the Sunday where I come, them say, not tomorrow Sunday. Meaning, Sunday is not tomorrow, you know, but Jamaicans will say, not tomorrow Sunday. Right? But the other Sunday, Sunday the 21st of August, Prezi Party Euphoria. All right? And it's it going to start at 2 p.m. and it go until 8 p.m. And Prezi going announce where the venue is. You know, a lot of people do this. Them not really make nobody know them venue. People don't. Give me a call. We have about 10 minutes ago. Give me a call. Hello. Greetings.
Kingsley.
Yeah.
Carib Theatre still there, Crossroad.
Carib Theatre still there. Okay, it's still a go on. Them still a show a movie and thing.
Okay. This is something about Jamaican. Are you a Jamaican?
Is this Neville?
Neville, I talk to you.
Neville, where you say Neville? Where go on, Neville? Judgment!
Right, now listen.
Get right!
Now listen.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
We are exceptional.
Oh, your phone sounds so.
It sounds like a Jamaican attack on a Jamaican phone.
Yeah,
it's a banger.
It's a banger. Okay, well, if I start it, but we are here. You say, we Jamaicans are exceptional. Go on, yeah?
Okay.
Yeah.
You remember a guy where did go somewhere in the Alps and they are skate snow?
Him go somewhere in the Alps and did I do what?
Him go somewhere which part snow there.
Yeah.
And they are skate.
And did I what?
And get in an accident with a brother.
And get in an accident,
yeah. And say, are you okay, my brother? Oh. The brother didn't name Ragashanti.
Yeah.
You know him?
Yes, I know. I do know Ragashanti. It wasn't in the Alps.
Right, no,
hold on. It wasn't in the Alps. It was in Garmisch in Germany. It was in a city called Garmisch in Germany, and that was the first time I was skiing. Yes, you're right. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you probably travel too much.
I don't travel enough. There's so many places right. I want to go to. Yeah, go on.
Hold on. You know that you was one of the first individual come on radio.
Yeah.
And don't like when people call you doctor. What?
Call me Raga. I prefer Raga.
Because you didn't get your Ph.D.
Well, yeah.
You know a Jamaican Ph.D. stands for?
What about different something?
Permanent head damage.
Permanent head damage, Ph.D.
Like Ragashanti.
Okay. Well,
right.
My head gone long time.
Yes. By the way, you didn't have Blake Lane?
What was that?
Were you living at Blake Lane?
Blake Road?
Blake Road. Where Blake Road there?
Blake Road is off East Queen Street, right off East Queen Street. But Blake Road is just, at the corner of Palace Theatre, just before you reach South Camp Road.
That's a Blake Road?
Yeah, that is Blake Road.
Okay. You know Miriam Road?
No.
Yeah, you know it. Anyway, so you really live on Blake Road?
Yeah.
Was it there you was living when the mother sent us his partner money?
No, that was Percy Street in West Kingston.
Okay. Mm-hmm. You remember when you go to the lady who come out to you?
Yes, me remember that. And that was up in, I was living at Percy Street, but where I went, it was up in, towards Anatown side.
Do you understand Jamaica now? Asian, you said something last week, month in a week. You said there was a time when St. Thomas was the Obia capital.
Well, no, it was referred to as the Obia capital.
Okay. And
but I explained the reason why it was. Yeah. Because there was a time when St. Thomas was the parish that had people with the most African retention because those set of people, they were descended from people who, while they were on their way to Jamaica as slaves, slavery were abolished. So they were allowed to retain more of their African practices. Yes. And because of that, people think them are the worst because them was more African. Yeah.
Did you know that the parish where you call Mystery Homeland was the number one?
No, I told them that when I left Jamaica.
No,
hold on. You said it was always the number one?
Number one.
Oh, I didn't know that.
That's from me.
Okay. The number one, Obia Parish, St. Mary?
No, hold on. Now, if you look on the TV in Jamaica, you see, all the Indian them come in here, and if you want to get read up and you want this and you want that, it's advertised on the TV officially. But if people rap them head and jump up and play the drum, then lock them up.
Right.
Do you understand that?
I understand that, Neville.
You certain?
Well, me understand
you. Good?
Me good, man. Me good, Neville. Me good. I give
you
thanks.
You about that?
Yes, man.
You know you have list tongue?
No, me not have list tongue. Elephant man have list tongue, not me.
Man, me know you call nobody name.
Okay.
All right,
Neville.
You know Elephant man?
Huh?
You know Elephant man?
Yeah, man. Me know O'Neill. Good.
O'Neill, you know him born and go?
No.
Monday me call you and tell you.
All right then, Neville. Big up yourself.
By the way.
Yeah.
The fireman come from your district.
The what?
Capleton.
Yeah.
Come from near to his father, you born.
Yeah,
no, you know about,
I'm not born at St. Mary, but him come from St. Mary, yeah.
Yeah, you up at the top.
Islington, yeah.
And him down away, Patrick.
Yeah.
Then, you must, Monday,
all right, yeah, man, because we are going to get cut off soon here. So Monday, yeah, man, call me about Monday. Here, Neville, big up yourself, man. Long time, get right. People, that is Neville, you know, and, you know, all old school TamFam know Neville and thing. And let us just say, Neville is not average, right? Neville is unique. You know, and that is an understatement. I think Neville, I remember it something them and think, no man, people, but the first time I go skiing was in a place called Garmisch in Germany. I learned to ski to Ratted, and when I learned to ski and go up on the thing and whatever, and position and thing, and when I go off, the first time I go off, the man say, man, and I say, what? And the man, I say, what? That time I move, you know. He said, man, so true, me not hear him now, me go lean backward. That time the ski, I go down the hill, you know. And when me lean backward and turn around and hear him and lean backward, a man say, make sure you keep leaning forward. Me say, bombard people. Me say, me shot go down the hill, you know, man. Classic coming like me now, Archie comic to Ratted. Shit, I go down the hill and whatever. First time I think and whatever this. And the little pitney them don't even use them summer pan when them are skiing. I just hear them ball out. Watch out! He's gonna have a wipe out. He's gonna boop and crashing and one heap of white people and thing. Everybody kidding over. Just people just imagine like a cartoon image. Everybody kidding people upside down and whatever. Me are the only black person there. And just crashing all of them white people and whatever. So then get up and look for me like mad and whatever. Think them are going to beat out my clot. And you have a whole heap of U.S. service people over in Germany from the military. And one big thick man come over, you know, him in the military, you know, but him are like 6'6", you know, man, like, when me tell him, man, a massive and pure muscle and thing, you know, American, you know, and come over and when him see the whole heap of white people, I'm over him, just come over and him say, my brother, are you okay, my brother? You okay, dog? I be like, yeah. So come on, my brother. And the man just grab me and just raise me up with him one hand, and me and him just walk away like two generally, you understand? And I don't know if them would have pop my clock there. People big up on yourself, you know, big up on yourself, big up on yourself. Love the little vibe in the 90 and thing and whatever. And I don't know, so we are joking about Monday on the bridge 99 and thing, as usual. I don't know, so that at 9 o'clock on the bridge on Monday. And usually on Fridays I'm here at 8 o'clock. But this Monday coming 9 o'clock on the bridge and 10 o'clock here on, you know, up in the US East Coast and thing. Do remember, say, over Ragashanti on YouTube, I have my local Mixup Entertainment channel, Ragashanti TV. Over there, so loads of past Ragashanti shows for you to listen from back in the Jamaica years and thing come up to present, and, you know, all of the free up show them when we do free up is on Thursdays, the realest Jamaican talk show. It's all about laugh, learn and grow. Laugh, learn and grow. You're entertained, you laugh or whatever, but we learn look at something too and all of them thing there and thing. Big up on yourself, you know. Take care of you and yours and thing, and I hope on the fridge can full regularly and them something down the bathroom clean, and that you know laugh every day and sitting and that you know on the loved ones are safe and secure and all these good things. Big up on yourself, all right? Everybody up here, on the New York side, on the American side, enough blessings and thing, all right? So see the item Monday. Stay easy. Go over to Ragashanti TV or YouTube, subscribe to the channel and click the bell for notifications. Ragashanti TV on YouTube. Subscribe to the channel right now and click the bell. Take care, people. I'm out of here. Roar!